Welcome to Mega Technology, where we uncover the brilliance of heavy equipment, the ingenuity of modern inventions, and the boundless horizons of rapidly evolving technologies. Meet the Model 423, the mining dump truck that will transform the way you approach mining. This maneuverable giant with huge wheels and innovative air suspension ensures exceptional handling even in the most challenging conditions. With proven technology and easy wheel scalability, the 423 not only increases operational efficiency, but also offers cost savings of up to 69%. You are not just a dump truck, but the real key to optimizing operations and increasing profitability in quarries. Here is the E-Dumper from E-Mining AG, the world's largest electric dump truck. With its enormous load capacity and fully electric engine, this giant doesn't just transport loads, it redefines heavy machinery. Imagine, it can carry up to 65 tons of cargo and work continuously thanks to a regenerative braking system that charges the battery during descent. Eco-friendly and powerful, the E-Dumper shows that sustainable technology and heavy industry are a perfect match. The Pecan Gullwing is a breakthrough solution for farmers looking to maximize efficiency and meet road regulations. This device is designed to use dual wheels while maintaining a narrow transport width. The transition between work and transport modes takes only 20 to 30 seconds. In work mode, the dual pneumatic wheels extend 4.9 feet behind the tractor, minimizing ground pressure and improving traction. And in transport mode, they fold compactly behind the cab. This not only improves mobility, but also allows the use of various agricultural equipment without affecting cross-country ability. Meet the giant among loaders. The Caterpillar 993K is not just a loader, but a real rock on wheels. This marble quarry monster absorbs up to 14 cubic yards of stone at once. With a powerful engine developing up to 618 horsepower and massive 16-foot diameter wheels, it can handle the heaviest marble without sweating or tiring. If you need serious equipment for quarries, look no further. The Caterpillar 993K will take on all the heavy work and leave the rest aside. John Deere, the world's largest manufacturer of agricultural machinery, has presented a new prototype of an electric tractor. It appears that the company intends to revolutionize the world of agricultural machinery. The tractor, named Sesame, is equipped with 130 kilowatt-hour batteries and surpasses all modern agricultural machinery by its quietness. You have to agree, and it looks no less impressive. The unique feature of the model that is the object of our interest today is that during operation it can completely submerge in water. Only the exhaust pipe remains on the surface. This underwater bulldozer will be an excellent solution for companies that perform road construction and repair activities regularly, are engaged in the laying of channels, as well as mining of minerals from the subsoil covered by the water column. By the way, the bulldozer is controlled remotely. Sandvik is raising safety and productivity standards by offering mining companies its new 45-ton underground dump truck model, which complements perfectly their range of smart machines. The company's engineers have made a truly reliable machine by adding a smart control module with data acquisition and transmission, available as standard equipment. The model is fully compatible with the optional AutoMine automation system, while it can also be equipped with an integrated weighing system to maximize its rated payload of 45 tons. In terms of service safety, the new model has numerous improvements, including easier access to the upper body and auxiliary handrails. Thanks to automation, operators can control remotely from anywhere in the mine or from the surface. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. The new E7000 SP self-propelled harvester utilizes the latest technology, including the EcoClean system, to maximize control, efficiency, and dust reduction. This harvester can be configured to harvest almonds, walnuts, pecans, and hazelnuts. There is definitely more chain cleaning space than any other harvester. There is a variable speed cleaning fan, and settings are controlled with a joystick. The independent floating pickup head follows the ground contour. And what's more, you get full cab comfort with maximum visibility. The Komatsu Continuous Miner is a high-tech unmanned giant that will revolutionize your perception of coal mining. This unit is equipped with an advanced digging system with a 345 horsepower engine and a 115-foot cutting width, allowing it to effortlessly break coal seams. The precise positioning technology and dust minimization system ensure high efficiency and safety of operations. Did you know that it can operate continuously in extreme conditions while maintaining a maximum productivity of up to 55,000 pounds per hour? Not a single piece of coal will go unnoticed. Watch the incredible time-lapse video of a crawler transporter that seems to embody all engineering fantasies. This grand apparatus, 131 feet long and 114 feet wide, is designed to move giant rockets and shuttles weighing up to 18 million pounds. In accelerated mode, you can see how this behemoth slowly and majestically makes its way, demonstrating incredible power and precision. Every movement is like a dance of titans, turning the most complex tasks into poetry and technology. The XC7000 is the largest tonnage mining excavator independently developed by XCMG to meet the requirements of large-scale mining construction. The excavator is equipped with intelligent fault monitoring and self-diagnosis system, centralized fire extinguishing system, as well as lubrication system and a variety of safety equipment to ensure the safe and efficient operation of the whole machine. And what's more, you can count on easy operation and convenient machine maintenance. Depending on the mining design, the machine can flexibly choose between 2 power options, diesel engine or motorized engine, and 2 operating modes. Hey fans of powerful machines, take a look at the Dresda TD25 Series 2, a true titan among bulldozers. With a 330 horsepower engine and a weight of almost 42 tons, it can handle any task, be it road construction or excavation. Yes, this bulldozer is not one to be afraid of hard work. Now, imagine sitting in the cab, surrounded by advanced controls, feeling like the king of the construction site. So, would you like to experience the power and strength of the Dresda TD25 Series 2? In a world where the need for reliable and efficient resource extraction continues to grow, the P&H 4100 AC drive mining shovels are essential. These massive machines give mining companies the ability to achieve high productivity even in the most difficult conditions. With their help, enterprises can manage production processes more efficiently, optimizing both time and production costs. The AC drive further increases energy efficiency and reduces wear, making the P&H 4100 excavators a key element in the mining industry's sustainable development strategy. Imagine a world where every pellet of material is placed exactly where it needs to be, thanks to an engineering marvel called the Oversized Mini Padder. This small but mighty device contains a whole orchestra of features, from the carefully designed mechanisms inside the cab that allow you to easily glide, accelerate, and maneuver the mini padder, to the unique ability to fold it up for easy transport. And add that to the double rotation of the OR 200 series shaker, which is tuned for optimal screening and efficient material removal. The result is a tool that can miraculously transform any ditch. Integrated hydraulic actuators add the cherry on the cake, allowing you to fine-tune the position of the vibrating screen without affecting conveyor operation. With the mini Paterazzi's, every project becomes easier and more efficient. Meet the newest Wolf DW630 dewatering machine. This impressive model features a powerful 630 horsepower CAT C18 engine, allowing it to lay pipes up to 8 inches in diameter to a depth of 19 feet. Tests have shown how the machine performs in real-world conditions, demonstrating its reliability and performance. Now friends, just check out the field footage of the DW630 to see it in action and appreciate the efficiency and accuracy of pipe laying and dewatering conditions. The Mansinon 200ER is an excavator that could easily be the star of any construction reality show. Watch as this heavyweight pulls wooden planks out of the water with the equanimity of a Navy SEAL and the precision of a sushi chef. He doesn't just move them to dry land, he does it with such style that even the bars seem amazed. Get your imagination going, because with the Mansinon 200ER, woodworking has never been so entertaining and easy. BIS road trains are highly effective vehicles specifically built for quarry operations. The process begins with loading materials onto the platform, after which the machine utilizes its powerful engines and hydraulic system to move steadily over rugged terrain. The innovative body and frame design ensures that the load is evenly distributed. Canadian company K-Tech has presented a concept of a new model of scraper with dimensions that allow transporting the equipment by road without special permission. And the fact that this scraper is presented in close contact with a 38-ton tractor from Rockback makes this machine incredibly productive and efficient in work. This powerful version of the machine provides better fuel economy, lower emissions, increased safety, and greater durability. And this scraper tractor works even in the toughest conditions. The self-propelled symbol of the Technoma range, trust us, the laser opens up a new style in equipment. Depending on the surface, crop, and terrain, it comes with 4 tanks ranging from 2,500 to 5,200 liters and can be equipped with a boom from 24 to 44 meters. It has a wide range of tracks and clearance and can be equipped with optimal hydraulic adjustable track and/or hydraulic variable clearance (HVC). The Matterhorn Gothard Bond vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka Tunnel, 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is required. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people in one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicles, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. You see the green cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Bimod. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower, but production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are 2 blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. You're looking at high-tech hybrid drive underground loaders with reliable, independent electric motors in each wheel. The Komatsu 22H and Model 18H left-hand drive hybrid loaders claim the lowest total operating expenses in their class. According to the manufacturer, the two machines offer a 20% increase in hauled volume over conventionally powered loaders. They also provide up to 20% reduction in fuel costs according to performance tests. This hybrid is designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. The new Raptor 200 from Prinoth boasts a compact but robust design, an ergonomic cab, and a powerful engine. Thanks to the CAT C4.4, this model is equally at home on steep slopes and soft ground. With 190 horsepower and an extremely low curb weight of less than 20,280 pounds, the Raptor 200 impresses with its optimal power-to-weight ratio. Combined with proven M450S attachments, the compact vehicle is the best choice for any type of land clearing, lane maintenance, and forestry work. Just as artists wield brushes, Caterpillar D6T bulldozers master the art of creating mud rolls. Watching them at work in the field is a spectacle. With each movement, the D6T blade elegantly rolls the ground into neat piles like a baker rolling dough. This machine is not only powerful and efficient, but also capable of amazing feats in the right hands. On a construction site or in the field, the Caterpillar D6T turns an ordinary task into art. When Heron and BP Construction joined forces, they created something truly impressive, the Liber R 9250 Super Long Reach. This excavator is not just a machine, but a mechanized monster capable of working in the most extreme conditions. With a boom length that the largest machinery would envy, it can reach corners inaccessible to ordinary machines. Watch as the sand giant demolishes everything in its path. The largest telescopic excavator in Europe, with a 249-foot-long manipulator, turns demolition into a true spectacle. This powerful excavator brings down buildings to the ground, showing that destruction can be an art form. With such a long boom, you can easily reach the top floor and the farthest corner. Oh, Caterpillar 988B, you are the true ballet master in the world of marble blocks. With brutal power of 520 horsepower and a 6.4 cubic meter bucket, this wheel loader plays with marble like a professional juggler. It has a hydraulic system with a pressure of up to 250 bar, allowing it to skillfully and accurately manipulate blocks weighing several tons as if they were Lego pieces. This is real power without jokes. When it comes to maintaining railway tracks in perfect condition, rare but indispensable equipment comes into play: the Jordan spreader. Imagine how this powerful machine works along with the Withrow substation, clearing soil and leveling tracks. The Jordan spreader regrades ballast and soil, removing them and pushing them aside to ensure excellent drainage and extend the track's lifespan. Observing such a rare operation is like witnessing railway magic in action. Meet the pontoon excavator Liber P995, which turns every water mission into a masterclass in excavation. This floating professional is designed to perform the most complex tasks on water, whether it's deep water mining or construction in difficult conditions. With superior stability and a powerful bucket system, the P995 manipulates heavy loads with surgical precision, making it an indispensable tool in the arsenal of marine and river builders. Ready to see a true underwater superhero? Meet Big Crab, the underwater excavator revolutionizing underwater construction. This multifunctional machine significantly increases efficiency, reducing construction time and improving safety. Thanks to various attachments, Big Crab handles a wide range of underwater tasks. Now even the most complex underwater works are done quickly and safely. Do you like this unusual combination of bulldozer and anchor chain? It should be said at once that these beasts are ideal assistants for some tasks of deep clearing of wooded areas, which other machines would simply never cope with. A massive anchor chain is attached between two powerful bulldozers, and then during their pass, rips trees of various sizes out of the ground, along with roots and everything else. These anchor chains can weigh on the order of 20,000 pounds, and with each pass, they uproot hundreds of trees and other unwanted vegetation. Don't let the name Raptor 100 from Benoth mislead you. It's indeed gentle until it starts working. This rotary deep ripper is a deep machine for those who want to quickly and efficiently prepare the land. With a powerful 100 horsepower engine and the ability to literally chew through problem areas, the Raptor 100 makes complex tasks simple. Whether it's loosening hard rocks or introducing organic matter into the soil, this beast will handle any challenges. So, if you're ready to turn the ground in your garden or construction site into a soft cushion, give the Raptor 100 a chance. As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, SYM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company, Limited, is committed to providing the most complete, reliable, and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the XCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet, and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift, and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. The Lightwolf AgriPower Prinoth model is designed for work on steep slopes. Thanks to their climbing ability and large track contact area, they can perform heavy lifting work on difficult terrain, and thanks to their optimal weight distribution, they can climb even high and steep slopes much more easily and with greater stability than wheeled machines. In this video, the machine is shown in close contact with the M450 mulcher, and you can see the result of their fruitful cooperation. The tremendous traction and the ability to steeply turn vehicles on trails make spreading large volumes effortless. DD Shipping NV's quaysides, where giant ships are loaded and unloaded every day, have recently added a new helper, the Cenoboggan 870 Hybrid E. This crawler material handler was chosen for its unique ability to handle heavy loads and bulk materials quickly and easily. The company's sea lock dimensions are impressive: 28.9 feet deep, 820 feet long, and 82 feet wide, allowing it to handle vessels weighing up to 10,000 tons. Drivers value the machine for its stability, mobility, and comfort, making the Cenoboggan 870E the ideal choice to enhance work on both berths. Imagine you need to transport mountains of cast iron every day. Sounds like a challenge? Not for the Techni Cairo at the TKCSA plant in Brazil. This team has turned the transportation of raw iron from a mission impossible into a daily routine. With their mobile logistics system, each batch of iron is delivered from the blast furnace to the steelmaking shop accurately and on time as if by magic. And all this with such efficiency that even the strictest logisticians give a standing ovation. No wonder this plant is becoming a role model in the global steel industry. Orbital O2, the world's largest tidal turbine, has been successfully commissioned, demonstrating the power of natural forces. The Orbital O2 turbine has a capacity of 2 milliwatts and can generate enough electricity for about 2,000 homes. Installed off the coast of Scotland, it uses tidal energy to provide clean energy. This impressive machine, weighing 680 tons and 240 feet long, is equipped with 2 rotor blades with a diameter of 65 feet, which submerge in water and start rotating under the influence of tidal currents. One of the most interesting wheel loaders today is the new XC9350. It is electrically driven with the largest lifting capacity, energy recovery, energy saving, and high efficiency. This model weighs about 150 tons with an 18-meter bucket, and the electric drive loader is described as the best choice to support 130 to 200 tons of mining dump trucks. It is mainly used for open-pit mining, where there is transportation over short distances for loading. It is equipped with an electronically controlled direct flow hydraulic system, load sensor, steering system, and energy-saving technology. When it comes to complex tasks like rail dismantling, the Hitachi ZX696 and two Liebherr A918 Comp are the true stars of the show. With a power of 331 horsepower and operating weight of 71 tons, the Hitachi ZX696 makes rail dismantling an easy walk. Its loyal partners, the Liebherr A918 Comp, with excellent characteristics, add their power and precision to this exciting operation. Together, they clear the Limmatstrasse in Zurich like a coordinated superhero team, turning a complex process into an easy task. These machines work as one, and the results speak for themselves. Looking for a machine that can easily handle the challenges of challenging construction sites? The K-Tech 1233 is your choice. This economical scraper is designed for maximum productivity in even the toughest conditions, with a 33 cubic yard payload capacity and unmatched maneuverability. Its unique solid welded rigid frame ensures durability and reliability. No matter how limited your job site space is, thanks to its compact size and low ground pressure, the 1233 from K-Tech gets the job done efficiently, making excavation not only easier but also more economical. GU70 Special is the last word in chainsaw technology, designed with tunneling and open pit work in mind. This machine, designed for cutting marble and decorative stone, except granite, is at its best when dealing with hard and abrasive stones. The GU70 Special has the unique ability to perform horizontal, vertical, and inclined frontal cuts, all thanks to a special function developed by the company. The technique can be customized, offering horizontal cuts up to 32.2 feet, vertical cuts up to 20.3 feet, and cutting depths up to 10.5 feet. The all-electric design with the option of a hybrid modification that includes an endothermic motor for travel makes it ideal for various use scenarios, offering high productivity and adaptability. This forwarder systematically gathers scattered logs, grab, lift, and stack, repeating the cycle with the precision of a finely tuned machine. Its powerful manipulator works seamlessly, demonstrating remarkable accuracy, while its polished exterior gives no hint of the rugged tasks it performs in the wild. Most large European and South American companies that use roundwood as raw material have been using the RTD 3026 as the best material handling equipment for many years. A typical task for the RTD 3026 is to unload a truck. The main criterion for unloading efficiency is the whole set in one go, and when using TW's patented twin grapple, even two sets of trucks at the same time. A wide range of grapples and even customized grapples are available for the RTD 3026. The Prinoth Panther T16 is not just a tracked carrier, it's your new best friend in construction and logistics. Imagine a machine that can transport loads up to 33,000 pounds while maneuvering with such grace that it seems to dance ballet. A powerful engine? Check. Excellent ground traction? Absolutely. And despite its size and power, operating the T16 is as easy as handling a toy car. Want to make the move of the year? Trust this machine and watch as it redefines the possible. Who said there's no room for style and innovation in the world of freight transport? Meet the Rex BIS, a truck that rewrites the rules of the game. This colossal vehicle not only boasts an impressive appearance, but also a unique ability to transport huge loads over long distances without additional reloading. With its help, operations at mining sites and large construction sites become simpler, faster, and more efficient. Don't believe it? The Rex BIS will prove that even the heaviest tasks can be accomplished with ease and elegance. If cars had an Olympics, the Converse C10s would definitely take gold in the three-wheeled race. This three-wheeled self-propelled machine is a true athlete among landscape maintenance devices. It goes through narrow passageways and climbs steep slopes like a parkourist. No wonder it can do aerobatics where others only dream of a chance to pass. Ideal for working in hard-to-reach places, whether it's maintaining parks or cleaning water bodies. Popular Sleipner offers a complete solution for mobilizing crawler equipment. The Sleipner E-Series is designed to move excavators, and the Sleipner DB Series is designed to move rigs, dozers, and other tracked equipment. You can see what they look and work like on your screens as the company's 2022 product line is presented. The CT Model 718 Compost Header sets new standards for efficiency, productivity, and ease of operation. Operator comfort and efficiency have been improved, including new controls, an easy-to-read control display, and side and rear view cameras, plus a mainframe with a lower machine height for better transportability. The hydraulic metal baler is used for shredding, cutting, and bagging a wide range of scrap metal. The Moros handles large and sturdy structures such as steel sheets, washing machines, other household appliances, and even entire cars in a particularly cool manner. This powerful machine efficiently presses the leftovers of all kinds of metal materials to give the shape of cuboid, octagon, cylinder, etc., resulting in lower transportation and smelting costs. Among the advantages, it is a fast block, which greatly improves the efficiency of the technique. Moros has a stable and quite powerful hydraulic drive system, and also, optionally, performs work in fully automatic mode. The primary purpose of the Oshkosh M1070 tractor is to transport tanks, deploy and evacuate armored personnel carriers, self-propelled artillery, armored bulldozers, and other heavy vehicles, and equipment of all types. It is powered by a 12.06-liter Detroit diesel 8V 92TA 500 horsepower diesel engine mated to an Allison CLT 754 5-speed automatic transmission and an Oshkosh 55,000 2-speed transfer case. The tractor has two tanks with a total capacity of 947 liters, 568 liters, and 379 liters, and has a maximum speed of 81 kilometers per hour. The heavy tractor cab accommodates the driver, one crew member, and up to 4 passengers. It meets the requirements of the U.S. Army's long-term armor strategy. The Genius can be easily disassembled and therefore transported. This allows the crane to be used quickly for demolition work on the largest projects. Concrete and scrap shears with a lifting capacity of 16 tons make this crane exceptionally suitable for large industrial and infrastructure work. This equipment can be used underwater for offshore and mooring work at depths up to 98 feet. The Genius works safer and faster because it cuts heavy concrete structures, which creates significantly less dust and vibration. And because its long reach means it stays in one place longer, less crawling, preventing vibration and wasted time. These are exactly the kind of benefits that are also welcome for projects in urban areas. The GU70 chainsaw is the world's most powerful machine for discovering and exploring tunnel caves. Thanks to a sling on the front frame, the track carrying the boom can rotate 360 degrees to make vertical and horizontal cuts in the tunnel surface. One operator is sufficient to operate the machine. This model includes a radio control and jack on the standard tracked undercarriage. This chainsaw can make cuts 125 inches deep in hard stone and marble. The machine can be configured to meet specific customer requirements. Sany Global has created the SCE 800TB all-electric telescopic boom crawler crane with a lifting capacity of 80 tons. It was based on the company's previous version of the crane, with Danfoss technology in the electric version, which is now available through a series order for export to the European market. The benefits include reduced noise for crane operators on job sites. This model features an all-electric system with permanent magnet synchronous motor technology and an inverter supplied by Danfoss Power Solutions with a D1P hydraulic pump. The new crane boasts high performance and high reliability. The technique adapts perfectly to a dirty construction site and is an efficient end to all types of lifting work. Goldhofer is a global manufacturer of heavy and specialized vehicles. Its wide range of products is adapted to the requirements and infrastructure of various regional markets and guarantees complete flexibility for even the most unusual transportation operations. As you can see from the video, the Goldhofer specialists have indeed created a heavy combination with hydrostatic drive for transporting an oversized and extra heavy load of 580 tons. It looked very impressive. The world's largest all-terrain AT-120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of pulling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology and 280 horsepower Cummins Stage 5 engine reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT-120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. Look at the bucket. It's so large that a person next to it looks like a miniature figure. Such a bucket can easily handle the most voluminous and heavy materials, reducing the time and effort required for work. The vessel Bayan, which had an accident at the airport base, was successfully repaired and ready for new challenges. After temporary conservation and restoration, Bayan set off to the water area, where a tug was already waiting for it. This moment marked the beginning of a new chapter in the ship's life, proving its resilience and readiness to overcome difficulties. With the help of the tug, Bayan was delivered to the Nicey Oida base, where it was met with due honors and readiness for further tasks. Imagine having the opportunity to transform your huge excavators into true giants of ground moving. Sutton makes this possible by offering special equipment that will give machines the power to dig deeper than ever before. We're talking about technology for excavators ranging from 30 to 200 tons that not only increases digging depth to a breathtaking 6.5 feet, but also provides power you could only dream of before. Together with Sutton, any such excavator can literally transform the surrounding landscape, getting the job done faster and more efficiently. Better equipment design also means less maintenance costs and less frequent breakdowns. Imagine a machine that turns the solid into sand with such brilliance that even the most meticulous geologists would be envious. This is the GCM 2500 SM surface miner, which slices through the soil like a giant magic knife. With its powerful engine and advanced control systems, it easily handles the most challenging tasks. This miner, with an 82-foot width, can process up to 3,000 tons of materials per hour, turning any rocks into tiny pieces. Rejoice in technology that no longer fears hard work. Do you know what you can say about the SPV2? That it is the professional's choice for any application, providing maximum functionality and superior performance. With a unique choice of 7 different sets of levers, engine power, steering configuration, and a host of optional extras, this machine is a great investment. On your screens, you can see what the machine is capable of. The LR1500 crawler crane is a simple, powerful, and compact unit for any construction site. Thanks to the main lifting mechanism, it is possible to move the crane with a lifted load up to a maximum lifting capacity of 500 tons. At the same time, the dimensions of this cool machine are quite compact, like a 400-ton crane. All parts weigh up to 45 tons and are no more than 9.8 feet wide, which means there are no limitations to transporting this crawler monster around the world. Thanks to the matching counterweight cart, it can move right along with the load on the hook without any problems. Another big plus is the quickly installed center ballast made of several concrete elements. The upper part forms a secure platform for the counterweight cart. The Vermeer horizontal grinder you're seeing on your screens right now is built for land clearing and pipeline work and features a powerful track-mounted engine and compact design. With 950 horsepower or 708 kilowatts, in the 92,000-pound class and a feed design designed specifically to feed larger materials such as whole trees and large stumps, the new chipper is built to handle hard materials with less operator intervention. The C912S crawler dump truck is up to the task even on rough terrain. This powerful machine convinces with its high transport performance, relatively low emissions, economical consumption, and maximum safety. 2 hydrostatic power transmissions with constant full power, optimum weight distribution under any load, and a hydraulic parking brake for guaranteed safe holding even on extreme gradients enable the dump truck to work on almost any terrain. Even the iconic Hageland's 206 can fall victim to nature's challenges. During a towing operation, its tracks sink deep into a muddy quagmire. The effort to escape feels like a clash of titans against the swamp. Lurching forward, spinning tracks, another push, yet the resilient track design ultimately conquers the mire. The Hellfire jet truck combines fire and steel to create a stunning display. Its jet engine heats the track to a glowing red, flames erupt outward, and the roar of the turbine drowns out the cheers of the audience. In mere seconds, it achieves breathtaking speeds that astonish onlookers. I think it's clear to everyone that chopping firewood is not just chopping and chopping. With the right machine, sharp cutting tools, and daily optimal technique settings, it is still possible to produce wood chips. But how do you make it better than all the others? With the Force Profi machine, of course. It is with this machine that the perfect wood chips are produced for a wide variety of uses, like wood gasification, fuel, fall protection, playpen coverings, pavings, etc. The wood chips produced by Force Profi are also good because they have excellent characteristics and are easy to cut, not break and shatter. One look at these huge tanks of a solar power plant, and it's clear that transporting them can be a real challenge. However, 2 new Arox trucks with a payload capacity of up to 250 tons were able to cope with this enormous task. The size of the load was truly staggering, and the total weight was nothing to speak of. But the 2 impressive Arox with 6x6 wheel arrangement, 6-cylinder engine, and 425 kilowatts of power did the job. Before the transportation of this huge load could begin, the team of experts had to carry out a detailed analysis to determine a suitable route. On some parts of the route, detours and temporary traffic routes even had to be organized. The vehicles also achieved their goal by utilizing an important technology that is perfectly adapted to this type of operation: the non-wearable turbo retarder clutch. Bauer Model BG45 is the world's largest rotary drilling rig, weighing approximately 170 tons, designed for subsea ground improvement. Such a giant machine is ideal for drilling bored piles up to 146 inches in diameter and 311 feet deep. Such a technologically powerful rig can handle the most demanding applications. It can also be converted to CFA moving mode, where it can install pipes up to 59 inches in diameter and 126 feet deep. The BG45 is a versatile machine for various foundation construction applications. Diamond Mower's ProAx Disc Mulcher is the best solution for mulching small diameter trees and shrubs. The disc design acts like a flywheel to store energy. This stored energy combined with hydraulic power allows you to mulch any trees or shrubs in your path. The shape of the disc and the position of the tines allow for efficient mowing and mulching. While this attachment is precise and ideal for clearing land, it is still not recommended for use in urban areas. Due to the power of this machine, material can be moved long distances, making it less suitable for use in populated areas and near buildings. The TieBot rebar binding robot works continuously and regardless of the weather outside. Its functioning is based on machine vision technology, which guides the robot to the required location, and the robot limb binds the rebar qualitatively. The device is brought into working position by a small remote control panel. And by the way, the robot has even set a record. It was able to bind 11,044 bars in just one day, an average of 1,100 pieces per hour of work. You have to agree, such figures are really impressive. Hauling gravel and construction materials over tracks has never been easier than with the Hydrema 912 ES rail dump truck. It is capable of operating in both high and low rail mode, feeding material in a 180 G zone. The rail modules are mounted on a bolt-on system with quick couplings for hydraulics. This allows them to be removed when not in use for rail work. The large rail wheels ensure the position and stability of the tipper on the track, even at high speeds. The hubs of the rail wheels have individual disc brakes, so that both service and parking brakes act directly on the rail wheels. For safety reasons, this dump truck is equipped with automatic hydraulic locking of the articulated steering. In this way, the front and rear chassis are locked together, ensuring the truck's rigidity and minimizing the risk of derailment. Meet the new giant on the market, the Shunhung H8280. This machine isn't just strong, it's a true athlete among cranes, equipped with a boom that can take loads where others wouldn't even venture. I can say this with confidence, we have the perfect choice for the most labor-intensive projects. Just look at how it works and you'll see that when it comes to lifting and handling heavy loads, this model does it with ease and style, allowing your project to move forward faster and safer. A historic event occurred on May 24, 2023. The American aircraft carrier USS Gerald R. Ford arrived in Norway for the first time in more than 60 years. This visit emphasized the importance of the partnership between the USA and Norway. USS Gerald R. Ford departed Norfolk on May 2nd, carrying out its first global mission through the English Channel and the North Sea. On board this technological giant are 4,500 crew members and 90 aircraft and helicopters. The arrival of the ship in Oslo was a significant event, highlighting the power and capabilities of the modern American fleet. Leave drainage problems in the past. Eurodrain ATR 450 is here to help. This drainage machine, with a 14-foot working width and up to 66-foot depth, handles tasks that other machines can only dream of. Its powerful engines and reliable construction ensure stable operation in the toughest conditions. No matter what your landscape is, the ATR 450 will quickly bring your fields in order. A mesmerizing operation as seen through the lens of a universal transport operator. The ground transport of the Tu-154M from the Czech government's flight unit to the Kunovice Museum is more than just logistics. It's a spectacle. The enormous aircraft makes its way down the highway like a parade float. Every movement is a display of flawless precision, careful maneuvers, exact turns, and perfect alignment. The Kaiser S2 4x4 Cross, often called the Spider Excavator, is an engineering marvel capable of operating in the most extreme conditions. This machine has a unique ability to move on all four wheels, with each wheel independently adjusting to the terrain, providing stability and maneuverability comparable to a spider's movements. With a maximum digging depth of up to 15 feet and a cutting width of up to 6 feet, the Kaiser S2 is not only powerful, but also an extremely adaptive tool for any groundwork. Gore Concrete has created their perfect Bay Links foundation stone spreader, which is essential for handling large volumes of material daily. Such a large yet powerful machine definitely adds value to any business by delivering materials that save customers time and the cost of additional equipment and personnel. Plus, their innovative Bay Links product is backed by parts and service support. Look for this technological monster in action. You see the PT300 D-Mine tracked demining vehicle. It is equipped with a rotor with fixed tines or whips and can effectively clear anti-personnel and anti-tank mines at speeds of up to 4 miles per hour. It uses a rocker undercarriage, which provides excellent cushioning on the terrain. The machine is equipped with a powerful Caterpillar diesel engine for 302 horsepower and is able to work on climbs up to 45 degrees and slopes steeper than 35 degrees. The remote-controlled PT300 D-Mine can also be equipped with other hydraulic attachments, such as a milling machine, stump grinders, and others. The spectacular demolition of the bridge on the A7 motorway crossing the River Iller was truly impressive. The 197-foot-long, 62-foot-wide bridge, reinforced with pre-stressed steel, was destroyed by a team of professionals. 9 excavators with various tool attachments including shredders, demolition shears, sorting grabs, and hydraulic chisels, as well as 2 wheel loaders, a telehandler, a sweeper, and 33 trucks were deployed for this large-scale operation. The efficiency and cohesion of the team was just astonishing, and you can see it on all of the screens. In a world where every piece of land holds undiscovered treasures, the eccentric XR22 comes into play as a master destroyer, overturning conventional notions of power and efficiency. Born from the bowels of innovation, this hydraulic ripper carries the banner of revolution, offering a new approach to working the ground. Thanks to its patented impact technology through energy storage, it turns the roughest rocks into dust, opening the way for quarries, tunnels, and new construction. The Volvo L200H stands as a benchmark in forestry technology. Its one-of-a-kind lifting system is built to effortlessly move massive log stacks and stack them to heights that typical loaders cannot achieve. With its extended lift radius and advanced hydraulics, the L200H efficiently handles large wood volumes, improving storage and accelerating material turnover. Hadrian X's primary function is automated bricklaying with incredible precision and speed. After materials are placed on its platform, Hadrian X reads the blueprints and builds the wall using a 3D printing approach. Equipped with laser sensors and controlled by software, it ensures each brick is positioned with accuracy, even accounting for minor terrain variations. Pocket Bucket is a remote-controlled tracked mini-loader equipped with a bucket for working in hazardous areas, in mining sites for example. The bucket's lightweight and retractable design allows the machine to be easily transported in a van or on a trailer. The Pocket Bucket embodies a specialized machine with a running gear that is made of high-strength materials with an anti-corrosion coating. The Smart Battery System, SBS, is an integrated sealed compartment that houses the charger for the remote control. The spare battery is charged automatically while the machine is running. Simple and intuitive operation with a single joystick ensures that you always have one hand free to control other machine movements. Meet the Ploger AR4BX, a powerful ally in root crop harvesting. This harvesting unit, equipped with 4 rows, allows for efficient and careful harvesting of root crops, preserving their integrity and quality. The AR4BX is a combination of power, precision, and innovation that can transform the harvesting process, making it faster, easier, and more economical. Rest assured, with this machine, every harvest season will be marked by efficiency and reliability. You should see how the Optimal 3000 works, a machine that can make your landscaping upside down, in a good way. With this mobile arborist marvel, you can literally move mature trees from place to place. With its powerful hydraulic system and 4 blades, the Optimal 3000 hugs trees, covering root balls up to 118 inches in diameter and carries them without stress or damage. It's like a tree crane that works as gently as your favorite gardener. Equipped with durable rubber tracks and a rotating system, the Moruca MST-1000 VDL is designed to move over even the longest terrain and easily unload loads where you need them. Its compact size and excellent maneuverability make it ideal for working in tight spaces. In addition, the air-conditioned ROPS cab provides a comfortable and safe working environment for operators. With all these features and more, this machine model is the ideal choice for those who need a reliable and efficient transportation solution in a compact package. Why do drainage contractors prefer Braun 585? This drainage plow is known for its ability to combine power with maneuverability, providing excellent visibility, precision plowing, and increased operator comfort. The Braun 585 is not just a plow, but a truly reliable tool that copes with any soil conditions with outstanding performance and stability. In a world where every square meter of land can be the beginning of a new story, comes the DB45 from Sleipner. Not just a trailer, but the key to new horizons. This marvelous machine, capable of forging a path through the most impassable terrain, turns challenges into opportunities. It takes equipment up to 45 tons on board. As if whispering to it, show the world what you can do. With the DB45, temperatures from -40 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit are transformed from challenge to pleasure. A choreography of heavy-duty Volvo machinery, 4 specialized units aligned in perfect sync, using their side blades to break through the earth. Their coordinated efforts turn compacted soil into loose ground in mere minutes. What you see now is a paver with lightweight molds with a slip-form paver that places the cement concrete directly in front of the machine and spreads it with an auger spreader of plow spreader. Vibrators uniformly compact the cement concrete, while the slip-form mold shapes its width and thickness as it moves forward. Built-in anchor and dowel installer places dowels, anchors as required. The oscillating finishing beam extracts the surface across the roadbed, and the smoothing ski ensures a perfect surface. In 2-layer concrete paving, the bottom and top layers of cement concrete are placed using the wet-on-wet method. When you think of Victoria, you usually think of kangaroos. But now, all eyes are on the cranes dancing a waltz with wind turbines. These cranes are so gigantic that they can easily lift a house, and for them, turbine parts are like pastries for breakfast. Watch as they place the blades in place with such precision that even Swiss watchmakers would applaud. Each turbine sighs with relief when it is finally assembled. This means that its big, windy debut is about to begin. The Volvo FMX is packed with built-in features that make demanding tasks easier. The rugged cab provides improved forward visibility, and cameras can be viewed on the side display for enhanced safety. A traction control panel helps the driver deal with potentially dangerous situations both on and off-road, and the incredible 38-ton bogie greatly enhances productivity by increasing payload. Truly a truck on which to build the future. The Dutchman is built for those who prioritize both precision and speed in tree transplantation. Its 3 curved blades effortlessly slice through the soil, wrapping around the root system and creating a uniform soil clump. Hydraulic controls provide smooth operation and fast work, while the blade design minimizes pressure on the roots, preventing any damage. The concept behind the mobile biomass processing plant is straightforward. Materials like wood, roots, or shrub trimmings are loaded into a powerful auger hopper. Then, large rotating hammers crush everything to the desired size, with the finished product passing through a sieve. This mobile recycler is perfect for composting and biogas production. The Genesis shears use powerful hydraulic jaws to slice through steel beams, concrete, and rebar as easily as paper. Operating like a hydraulic press, the hefty jaws grip the material and compress it under high pressure, leaving behind clean-cut piles of metal and concrete. Kubler Spedition specializes in transporting vessels using multi-axle platforms. The procedure begins with the careful lifting of the vessel and placing it onto a custom platform, enabling precise navigation in confined areas. To maintain stability during transit, a hydraulic leveling system ensures the cargo remains level, preventing any shifting, even on sharp turns or uneven terrain. An 800 horsepower tracked beast cruises through wheat fields at 5.5 miles per hour without breaking a sweat. No steering wheel needed. It's piloted with a joystick like a jet. Its rotor system gently threshes the grain, while a header as wide as 2 buses slices through the field like butter. Prepping a vineyard isn't about brute force, it's about precision. These diggers move slowly and deliberately, as if preparing soil for precious gems. Each tine hits just the right depth, cutting through old roots while keeping the ground's integrity intact for strong, healthy vines. The Crimean KMS 2-row trimmer from Barta Farm shapes grapevines with absolute precision. Every snip is exact, like a luxury salon for vines. Fast, synchronized, and gentle, it's essential for creating the perfect vineyard rows. The Watermaster amphibious dredger features telescopic legs for stability on all types of soil. Its powerful pumps and extendable buckets ensure efficient dredging and cleaning. The hydraulic pump lifts soil, silt, or rocks and moves them to the shore, ensuring effective cleaning of water bodies and setting the stage for the construction of different hydraulic structures. The Lauer's Andro is a beast built for serious tillage. It doesn't just break up soil, it crushes it into fine, airy texture, ready for planting. Designed for heavy, compacted ground, this machine sets the foundation for a productive season. The FM World Harvester consumes sugarcane with incredible speed and precision, relentless in its efficiency. With sectional blades, sorting, and unloading systems working in perfect harmony, it delivers flawless cuts with minimal waste and maximized yield. The Convertland Fast Bale Premium rewrites baling rules. It's the world's first non-stop fixed-chamber baler-wrapper combo. All in just one day, it rolled out enough feed to support nations. Continuous action, zero downtime, a true baling revolution. Palenk's Optimum Harvester redefines gentle efficiency. With its advanced Arbo process, it harvests with soft-touch arms, suspended movement, and a steady flow. Less shake, more finesse, like a spa day for orchards at full speed. A pair of trucks with a wheeled platform in tow is more than just transportation. It's a display of unmatched power and precision. Together, they navigate a multi-ton load along a rural road, where every meter presents a new obstacle. Mud, steep grades, tight curves, they handle it all effortlessly. The suspension smooths out the ride, and the coupling operates as if the entire system were a unified machine. The ESS Pollock modular trailer showcases exceptional features for optimal load capacity and stability. Specifically designed for transporting oversized structures, it can easily handle substantial loads. Its design ensures even weight distribution, reducing the risk of damage or deformation during transit. The Momoet Multi-Axle is a true heavyweight champion in the world of transportation platforms. This engineering marvel effortlessly handles massive loads with extraordinary precision. Each axle is independently controllable, enabling millimeter-perfect turns and flawless movement of hundreds of tons under complete mastery. Why not try Plan B? Oversized cargo doesn't have to stick to the road, it can glide over water. A massive floating platform supports the multi-ton shipment, while the tugboats guide it carefully down the river. It's a slow but steady operation where safety takes priority over speed.
Fully loaded bins. So I decided to follow these little O6 up.
The Queensland Sugar Train and its lively engine. Tully Mill's Gutsy are truly machines with personality. Agile and strong, they pull wagons filled with sugarcane. The whistle sounds, steam rises, and the small locomotive confidently navigates its way through the plantations. The DMAG H65 is an expert in underwater tasks. This enormous machine lowers its bucket to the seabed, effortlessly retrieving loads from the water, much like fishing for treasures. Its meticulous movements and assured actions give the illusion of operating a robotic arm in slow motion. Introducing the New Holland D170 track tractor, the ideal machine for land clearing. It efficiently eradicates excess vegetation, shrubs, and small trees as it advances. Every movement showcases its confidence, leaving a smooth and level surface behind. A small boat nudges logs towards the shore, resembling a shepherd guiding its flock. Once on land, a robust machine equipped with a large grapple steps in. Acting like an iron claw, it seizes the logs and meticulously arranges them into tidy piles. It's a perfect collaboration of machinery and nature. The Metallic Incline tool functions like a sharp blade, effortlessly trimming dry branches. Perfect for vegetation management and vineyard upkeep, this highly mobile unit boasts precise maneuvers and seamless control. Its clean, accurate cuts make it ideal for work in confined spaces. Clean Tech Infra employs impressive machines to clean lakes and rivers, capable of removing large amounts of debris, silt, and algae within hours. Picture a massive floating platform that works like a giant water vacuum. It pulls in contaminants, filters them out, and pumps the excess on board for recycling. The Cat D6T with its ripper is an earth-moving powerhouse. Its tracks offer unbeatable traction, while the rear-mounted ripper tears through compact soil layers with ease. Gradually, it transforms solid ground into loose material, perfectly prepared for planting or construction projects.
Looking nice! Jeez.
Watching a cargo ship sink is a heart-stopping experience. It starts with a slow tilt, but within moments, the entire vessel vanishes into the dark abyss, leaving nothing but ripples on the water's surface. Why not make stump clearing fun and fast? The Hurricane TRX, powered by a 250 horsepower engine from John Deere, turns this labor-intensive process into a real spectacle. Armed with the ability to grind stumps at any 360-degree angle, it leaves nothing but a clean space behind. It can even be used in residential areas or in your backyard. And get ready for all the neighbors to definitely ask if they too can improve their landscaping so quickly. Experience the power and precision of Northern Michigan's forestry equipment. Watch as advanced machines from TigerCat, Ponce, and John Deere showcase their abilities, felling trees, clearing debris, and transporting logs seamlessly across the toughest terrains. power screen isn't just a crusher, it's a mobile production powerhouse. It simultaneously crushes and sorts materials, handling everything from rocks to construction debris. Feeding, crushing into various sizes, and sorting occur simultaneously, creating growing piles of gravel and sand with mesmerizing efficiency and precision. The Cat 963 turns forest clearing into a powerful display. With its 211 horsepower engine and mighty bucket, it doesn't just dig, but pulls trees out by the roots like large weeds. Its tracks move with assurance across any terrain, leaving a clean open space ready for new development. When it comes time to tackle impenetrable growth, only one hero can take on the challenge: the Predator 1700H chain mulcher. This powerful mulcher is equipped with a hydrostatic drive system, thus ensuring high performance and unrivaled maneuverability. Its specially designed chain leaves even the most stubborn bushes and limbs no chance. Just look at how this monster transforms the ground with ease, preparing it for any future plans. The enormous Aleli's heavy haulage platform carries a Balfour Betty ballast regulator through Colchester, transforming a regular road into a stage for a transportation performance. Moving such colossal loads requires a perfect combination of precision and strength. Dreaming of a career in structural demolition? Then consider Epirock's CB7500 concrete breaker, your personal bridge breaker. Don't waste time on the small touches when you can do it all in one powerful blow. The CB7500 turns even the toughest bridges into a pile of rubble. Very efficiently and accurately. And don't worry about debris. Everything happens so cleanly that almost no cleanup is required. In the world of mini cranes, the Gecko XPX 650 is a true Olympic champion. With the ability to lift up to 14,300 pounds and a lifting height of up to 77 feet, this little helper is ready to take on challenges that seem insurmountable for other machines. Its specialty is working in spaces where every inch counts, making it the ideal choice for urban construction or indoor work. With the Gecko SPX 650, heavy tasks become more manageable than ever before. Armed with a 251 horsepower John Deere engine and a 10-meter boom, this harvester dominates even the hardest trees. The EGS 700 harvester head grips, cuts, and stacks logs with precision. A lifting torque of 200 kilonewton-meters provides unmatched control, and its 26-ton weight ensures stability even on steep, uneven terrain. The Strawman-Leiber convoy turns the task of transporting an excavator into an extraordinary display. The colossal machine rests on a platform as the truck deftly navigates sharp turns, as if dancing with the steel giant. Baum and Schwartz Transport tackles the daunting task of moving an XXL load, a gas turbine on its way to Bonn. The colossal truck, equipped with a hydraulic platform, is ready for a mission where every turn becomes a challenge, and each step forward is a triumph of engineering brilliance. The Stihl MS Series chainsaw is the embodiment of power and precision, effortlessly cutting down even the tallest trees. Watch as it slices through trunks with ease, leaving these ancient giants with no chance. This equipment found itself stuck in a muddy trap deep in the forest. The soaked terrain refused to yield, leaving even this powerhouse machine immobilized and in need of rescue. Wheels spin, tracks struggle. The operation presses on. The tension of the extraction is palpable. Some trees become so hazardous they endanger entire forests. This Douglas fir at the Beech Creek fire had to be tackled with a highly unorthodox approach. As you can see, the method is truly remarkable. The PME production splitter is a powerhouse in log splitting. Armed with a 35 horsepower V-twin gasoline engine, 999cc displacement, and a 60cc variable pump, it effortlessly handles eucalyptus logs up to 3 feet long. Its lifter, cleaner, and rotating disc ensure each split is fast and precise. When the CAT 797 begins its journey, it's nothing short of a spectacle. Weighing in at 1.2 million pounds and supported by 392 wheels. 2 lead trucks and 2 pushing trucks guide it on a 22-row wheel platform, all moving with majestic fluidity. The Yanmar multi-purpose seedling planter for cabbage, spinach, and many leafy vegetables is designed with control levers around the handle for efficient operation. The PH1 is also equipped with a distance sensor for planting vegetables, which greatly increases its productivity. Meet the Ortomex self-propelled tracked harvester for harvesting corn salad. This machine has a tracked carriage on fixed rollers, or movable if desired. The steel tracks 270 centimeters long can vary in width and be 20, 25, or 30 centimeters. The engine of the harvester is diesel, with a power of 74 horsepower. Steering and forward movements are controlled by a multi-function joystick. The showdown between giants Koga and Dave Benoit is more than just a spectacle. It's an intense battle of roaring engines and clouds of black smoke. While it may not be eco-friendly, the performance is as powerful and unforgettable as Mont Laurier himself. Imagine a forest, a saw, and then a massive tree toppling to the ground with a resounding crash after a perfectly executed cut. It's a moment of pure greatness, and the sound is something you'll never forget. Out in the fields of Poland, this tracked-wheeled powerhouse works with surgical finesse. Its dual-helix rotor system, featuring twin 24-inch rotors, gently separates grain from straw, while the Ideal Harvest Tech fine-tunes every setting on the fly. With a massive 17,100-liter tank, it doesn't just harvest, it swallows hectares with unstoppable force. A 100-year-old tree and the largest chainsaw I've ever encountered. It slices through the wood effortlessly, like a hot knife cutting through butter. Truly mind-blowing. The MG1S combines many of DJI's advanced technologies, including the new A3 flight controller and a system of innovative sensors to ensure reliable and safe flight. The new liquid atomization system is designed to distribute the mixture as accurately as possible. The drone is equipped with 4 nozzles in the front and rear, and it also has 3 spray modes: front, rear, and full. 2 pressure modes are available: intensive and productive. And if you need to monitor how much fluid is left in the tank, you can do so thanks to the new flow and pressure sensors. Just look at these 2 powerful loaders from Sandvik. The first, the Model 115B, is the most compact 18-ton loader on the market, powered by battery energy. Its dimensions correspond to the 14-ton capacity class, so it can work in a 4.5 by 4.5 meter tunnel. The problem of waste has a global scale and requires new approaches to its solution. One of them may well be the reuse of waste in various spheres, including road construction. Plastic roads are created from recycled materials, household waste, disposable dishes, bottle caps, straws, plastic furniture, and so on. It is also a great solution in favor of reducing the use of asphalt, which saves natural resources. Another plus is that greenhouse gas emissions are 30 tons less when making roads from plastic, because 10% of bitumen is replaced with recycled plastic. All in all, profitable and very practical. Now we will talk about the JCB Demo Dump Truck. Their new HTD5 model with an operating weight of 590 kilograms, 5.9 horsepower, and Kohler diesel engine with electric starter is a real find. Smart Step offers maximum operator comfort while ensuring safety. To accomplish this, the system cuts power when the operator steps off the machine, which prevents any movement. Meanwhile, the chute hydraulics continue to receive power. The step can also be folded in walking mode. To activate all hydraulics, the operator must walk behind the tipper. Smart Step has a load capacity of 120 kilograms. Well, thanks to the new features, the new tipper doesn't compromise on productivity. And this machine can also be used on sea beaches and sandy riverbanks. The machine does an excellent job of collecting cigarette butts, small pieces of glass, plastic bottles, corn cobs, coconut shavings, plastic bags, pieces of paper, and seaweed with debris thrown ashore. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-one strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-one mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews CAD drawings of the house, creates a 3D model, and plans its construction. The machine determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. In tests, the Hadrian X laid an average of 150 bricks per hour, with a maximum rate of 200 pieces, which exceeds 1,000 bricks per day. At the same time, a typical mason can lay between 400 and 600 pieces of stone daily. The Classic V amphibious dredger offers an unprecedented combination of mobility and powerful dredging capability. Aquamech's innovation takes WaterMaster to a new level of performance in soft and hard substrates, as well as in urban dredging. The size of the machine is virtually unchanged from the first-generation Classic 1, but dredging performance has almost tripled. The difference compared to the Classic 4 is 50%, so the new model completes projects many times faster. Slat Tracks is a ground protection system for your mini loader that rolls out to raise a temporary road up to 100 feet in about 2 minutes. The system includes a hydraulically powered attachment that holds 2 Trax reels that are 36 inches wide and 42 inches wide each and up to 100 feet long. Breakpoint sections in the tracks allows for manual maneuvering. Slat Tracks will increase the productivity of work crews and provide a professional alternative to plywood and mats. The system can be used on hills, curves, turf, and paved surfaces. An optional trailer accommodates the entire system with 2 100-foot coils. The Ordomec 8000 Green Line glides effortlessly across the field, slicing lettuce with pinpoint accuracy and placing it softly on the conveyor, like a surgeon guided by an artist's touch. Every movement is clean, precise, and automated down to the smallest leaf. What do you see on your screens now? The transport crawler units of the model TC50 and TC100, which are the basis of the System Meister. In combination with a detachable crane and telescopic crane units, this innovative equipment can safely and efficiently transport loads under the most difficult operating conditions. This applies to both difficult terrain and challenging weather conditions. 2 powerful off-road track transporters can easily transport loads of up to 50 tons from point A to point B. Such equipment can be used multifunctionally in different operating modes. Dutchman Industries' ongoing commitment to creating quality nursery equipment continues with the tree tire model. The emphasis on creating a quality level meant that a top ring for proper branch direction, a hydraulic gate system, and an inverted steel ring were required. This machine can tie up to 40 trees every hour, significantly reducing labor costs. The unique design allows all trees to be wrapped tightly and evenly, reducing the chance of branch damage during transportation. The truck-mounted concrete pump from Zoomlion is a 160-foot long truck-mounted pump with high-volume concrete pumping capacity. The maximum pumping capacity is 180 meters cubed per hour, which means a highly efficient design that is mounted on a 4-axle truck with enhanced off-road capability and maneuverability. The hydraulic system is fully automated, and high precision at the production stage guarantees stability and reliability of the overall system. And the one-sided opening of the side outriggers allows safe operation in difficult and narrow areas. When you need it, you can extend your reach with the KJ, the new hydraulic equipment from Effer, which is designed to increase the flexibility of the flagship crane. With 2 additional extensions, the KJ combines the crane's lifting capacity with greater articulation height. In its maximum configuration, this 2255 model reaches a height of 2,165 inches for outstanding performance. And it is truly impressive. The SR Series rotary screening bucket provides high performance when sorting various materials. The rotary equipment is equipped with a replaceable screen system made of one piece. Its advantage is that it can be easily removed and replaced with other sieving sizes, from 20 by 20 to 100 by 100. SR rotary bucket equipped with a high-performance rotating drum of washing machine type with open front panel, which ensures maximum performance in sieving and sorting. The rotary screen is characterized by a strong and robust frame that can withstand even the heaviest working loads. The sieve drum is extremely robust and has a tapered base that optimizes the handling of the material being screened, both when the blade is parallel to the ground and when the bucket is closed. The 1233 is the most popular model in the K-Tech scraper lineup. This versatile machine handles all soil conditions with unrivaled fuel efficiency and amazing loading speeds. By mounting 2 K-Tech 1233 scrapers in tandem behind a single tractor, or ATV, this unit can move a whopping 50 meters cubed in a single cycle with just one operator. This fully integrated tandem scraper system moves twice as much material with just one 450 horsepower power unit. The Talon 2000, McElroy's largest machine to date, offers a revolutionary new way to wield large-diameter thermoplastic pipe, for which demand is growing daily. It is a self-propelled vehicle with the unique ability to safely lift pipes from the ground, position them for welding, and move them from joint to joint along the pipeline. This vehicle is equipped with a fast-acting face machine and a motorized indexer to accurately and safely position the heater and face machine in the welding machine. Talon welding operations are controlled through a touchscreen operator station that was designed to mimic the controls of other McElroy hydraulic machines, creating a familiar and easy-to-use interface. This harvesting marvel pulls leaks from the soil, shakes off debris, trims, and stacks them on pallets, all while keeping the roots intact and presentation pristine. With adjustable depth and cleaning features, it handles these delicate crops efficiently and delicately. The push-stick rake from Hi-Mac Attachments provides amazing vegetation control with its rugged design and side wings. This unique mini-loader attachment allows you to clear the ground, fence lines, debris, and other vegetation incredibly quickly. The tine spacing provides superior screening, minimizes waste, and maximizes productivity. This cabbage harvester doesn't just collect, it crates and stacks harvest right on the beds. Its automated stacking system and modular design bring order to the harvest, turning fieldwork into a smooth, structured process. PCC, 3 letters for a truly innovative product. The Palfinger Crawler Crane, the first Palfinger crane mounted on a crawler chassis. The application possibilities are impressively varied, whether on rough terrain, in the city center, or in cramped industrial environments or indoors. It handles all tasks powerfully and flexibly. Assembled with a detachable crawler unit, counterweight, boom, and powerful 3.5-ton rope winch, the crane has a total weight of 42 tons. This is your next powerful powerhouse for intelligent tasks that no other larger crane can handle. Experience the exceptional versatility and unique features of the Mix & Go concrete mixer attachment. This powerful attachment offers an unrivaled mixing and batching solution. Its ability to scoop, mix, and dispense materials seamlessly makes it an indispensable tool for various applications. The unit is characterized by durability and efficiency. Its unique steel mixing paddle design allows it to mix both dry and wet material more efficiently than conventional concrete bucket augers. Its simple yet effective chain drive system ensures smooth operation throughout the mixing process. Cut through large amounts of vegetation with a robust, open-fronted knife. If you urgently need to remove all kinds of plants and other pests, this slasher from Hymac is just right for you. The open front slasher features a high-quality reinforced slasher deck and integrated push bar, and is equipped with a heavy-duty 4-blade holder. The combination of the 4-blade configuration and serrated edges ensures that large amounts of vegetation are captured and plant pests are effectively killed. Manitou has launched the new telehandler with a total lift capacity of 25 tons and a maximum lift height of 36 feet. This equipment is equipped with a 211 horsepower engine and hydrostatic transmission. It can be used to handle heavy and bulky loads in complete safety and on any type of terrain thanks to 4 driving and steering wheels. A wide range of equipment can be mounted on the loader: forks, winch, hook, positioner, shovel, man basket and tire clamps, cylinders and pipes. For maximum comfort, this machine is equipped with a panoramic and ergonomic cab, easy step access, JSM joystick, and color touchscreen display. XCMG excavators are machines with outstanding technical characteristics, which have proved themselves perfectly in the process of construction, excavation, and repair of communications. Interestingly, for maneuvering, the technique does not require a large open space, and it works with virtually any soil. Efficient, powerful engine of relatively small volume fully complies with Euro 2. To eliminate the possibility of damage or suspension of work due to frost, an automatic engine heating system is provided. Their innovative dual pump system in the hydraulics ensures stable spreader value operation and high flow rates. As a consequence, increased boom and bucket performance and productivity. Rational power distribution, low fuel consumption, and low noise level make XCMG excavators a very attractive purchase according to potential customers. The NS Series Crawler Scissor Elevator is lightweight and equipped with rubber tracks for smooth, fast, and safe travel in difficult road conditions. The machine runs on standard AC mains power, has 0 emissions, and is environmentally friendly. The steel crawler design is particularly strong in adapting to the environment. It can be used in the field even without a power supply. The hydraulic lifting platform utilizes a weighted chassis and does not require supporting legs when working. The equipment can walk even when the platform is raised, which greatly improves work efficiency. Here is the Xylochip Model 200T branch chipper from Rabod, which works with a maximum wood size of up to 7.8 inches. Adaptation takes place on a 3-point linkage of a tractor from 75 to 150 horses. There is a shaft with a slip clutch for PTO 1000 RPM. The shredder hopper can be easily folded thanks to the mechanical winch, which makes it quite a compact machine for transportation. The technique is equipped with a 360-degree rotary blower with an adjustable cover by chain. On the plus side, you can adjust the speed of the feed rollers, which allows you to increase and decrease the chip size. There is a wide feed hopper, XL, with a safety bar on top to prevent untimely release of wood during processing. The Oxbow 2228 is double-duty power in one machine, engineered for both hay and grain, and backed by 2 decades of Oxbow know-how. Built tough with a solid frame and dependable components, it's the go-to choice when feed harvesting demands no compromises. This striking-looking 350 horsepower self-driving truck combines a 30-ton dump truck and a trailer with an extended chassis. In addition to the monster under the hood, the Larrington Chaser has 8 750 50 by 30.5 wheels and a tread pattern that quickly clears mud from the tires. The company's goal was to keep the weight of the truck as low as possible while maintaining strength and improving smoothness. Therefore, the chassis was redesigned with air suspension axles, and a third steer axle was added to the rear of the trailer. A 20-ton ejector housing was added, which allows the trailer to pivot at the front and unload the load into a truck or trailer parked on the road or headland. Right now on the screen is an epic show of the agro-technologies where Castle H270 MX tractors and their 328-foot-long disc chain perform agricultural wonders. Watch as this solid-moving orchestra on wheels carefully processes corn stubble and magically plants new crop seeds. Don't miss the moment when modern machines in the hands of true professionals turn an ordinary field into a podium for the next green fashion show. Singapore-based heavy lifting and transportation company Tiong Woon Corporation Holding Limited has added a new XCMG all-terrain crane, the new XCA model, to its fleet. Hydraulic supports, the location of the center of gravity in the lowest place, and control over the uniformity of loading on the boom give the equipment maximum stability in the process of lifting and moving the load. High maneuverability of XCMG highway truck cranes is ensured by swivel rear and front wheel axles. Additionally, there is an innovative automatic load leveling system. The tire on the left and right sides move up-down separately to adapt to road conditions, effectively improve steering stability at high speeds, and achieve excellent off-road performance when driving on narrow roads or roads with poor conditions. If you're looking for a versatile hero for water and shoreline work, the Converse C420 is just what the doctor ordered. This machine is a true water ninja, from dredging to removing algae and everything in between. The C420 does it with ease and style. With a powerful engine and flexible control settings, this amphibious beast ensures that your water environment will be clean and well maintained. Why not turn water cleaning into an adventure? The VDM is a high-performance CIED route clearance vehicle that combines maximum survivability with excellent off-road performance and a tremendous level of flexibility. The VDM is versatile and can be customized to defend against a wide range of threats and operating environments. The vehicle has a false target package on a push-pull boom trap to activate IEDs in front of the vehicle on 12.8-foot wide tracks. There is also an underbody metal detector to detect buried EIDs on 10-foot wide tracks. The VDM also offers high growth potential to combat rapidly evolving threats in theater. You are looking at the most versatile mobile shredder for garbage and car tires in particular, with superior capacity and performance. The Tana Shark 440 D-Teco has many unique features and is designed to shred the widest range of materials. This industrial waste shredder allows complete control of particle size from 2 to 20 inches with minimal operating expenses. This provides time and cost savings, as shreddings can be accomplished in just one pass. The machine's information management system allows you to calculate production efficiency, including cost and profit per ton, as well as evaluate the performance of different operators by comparing the volumes they shredded over a specific period of time, such as a one-work shift. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. Pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. The XL side-loading trailer features a 37-foot-long tub designed for a water volume of 23 cubic yards and a free volume of 33 cubic yards for efficient aggregate hauling. The tub tilts to either side to prevent tipping. Rely on the XL's rugged side tipper with a market-leading 2-year structural warranty. The trailer features 6 lights on each side, rubber LED lights, and dual-intensity center lights. You see the Zoom Lion ZR360L rotary drilling rig, which has a maximum drilling diameter of 8.2 feet and a maximum depth of 328 feet. The main rear winch of the machine with a single coiled wire rope reel with a dual gear mechanism greatly increases the service life of the steel wire rope. The high efficiency of the design is ensured by a high-flow main pump, a multi-stage rotor drive, and a 2-speed feed cylinder. A more stable design and higher load-carrying capacity are achieved by improved mass section. Double booms with parallel lowering mechanism, large slewing platform, and reinforced chassis. The Prinoth Raptor 100 self-propelled mulcher with remote control is a very highly efficient machine. Together with the hydraulic mulcher cutter, M450H, it is suitable for various applications. It can effectively crush small thickets and branches in hard-to-reach areas or difficult terrain. The mulcher does an impressive job in forestry, clearing parks and public gardens, cleaning on roadsides and steep slopes at an angle of up to 45 degrees. The complex is designed for resistance butt welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. You see a new high-capacity side discharge trailer, capable of transporting large quantities of waste in a single trip, with the added advantage of time due to high-speed unloading cycles. With a volume of 70 cubic meters and an empty weight of 10.2 tons, this tipper is ideal for any bulk material transport where large volumes of materials are required. The side tipper can transport forestry waste, organic matter, construction, and demolition waste. The cleverly designed wall tilt allows this trailer to unload cargo more efficiently due to its higher center of gravity. All parts of the trailer can be made of aluminum or high-strength hard-ox steel, according to the customer's wishes. Kubota takes on drainage duties like a surgeon working the soil, slow, deliberate, and precise. Its powerful blade carefully carves drainage channels, laying the groundwork for foundations or preparing fields for the next planting season. The first new generation road rail contact vehicle from Hilton, one of the world's leading manufacturers of road rail vehicles, is ready for delivery. The vehicle is built on a MAN FMX 6x4 chassis with hydrovolume rail drive and provides a maximum track speed of up to 44 miles per hour. The platform has a working height of 46 feet with a maximum basket load of half a ton. Combined with 2-wire positioners, this unit is a very compact, multi-purpose machine. 7 more units will be available in 2024. At only 2.4 feet wide and weighing 2.9 tons, it's the perfect machine for working in the tightest and hardest to reach places. Maneuverable and powerful, this spider crane lifts over 2.9 tons with a 28.5-foot telescopic boom to 41 feet of maximum height on the hook. The RPG 2900 is the highest level of performance in its category. With its compact size, track narrowing capability, and lightweight, this model is especially suited for smaller jobs where space is limited. And the main telescopic boom and auxiliary articulated top boom provide maximum maneuverability, even at medium heights. It looks like an ordinary man truck, but its panoramic glazed cab can not only turn 300 degrees, but even rise to a height of about 3.2 feet. Why did they make such an unusual design? Dolph-Zubau's Logo Series vehicles are designed for collecting, loading, and transporting wood. Such a raised rotating cab allows the operator to stay in the cab even during loading and unloading operations. In this video, you can see the unusual Doll Logo 12K logging truck in action. The idea seems simply ingenious because it significantly increases the driver's comfort. The Fractum Hammer Model 100 is powered by a Volvo 380 excavator. The impact energy of this hammer is so great that the rock cannot absorb it. The Fractum doesn't even penetrate the rock, it only strikes the surface of the rock, and that's enough for effective crushing. Its braking principle is more like that of a conventional hammer, where a strong metal rod moving in a casing is simply lifted upwards and then falls on the material with tremendous force, causing it to sort of splinter. In this way, so much impact energy is applied to a small area that the material is unable to absorb it, and as a result, it simply disintegrates. There is also no need to transport large boulders that need to be broken up, because the excavator with the Fractum Model 100 mounted on it can drive itself to each individual stone. The A-frame created by Elphinstone is a low-maintenance trailer with less dead weight. It has no slots or pull pins, but pole repositioning can be easily adjusted. Elphinstone's unique design allows the vehicle to not only slide, but also pivot, which reduces stress on the A-frame, pull front, and pull hitch. The folding rear mudguards have replaceable nylon bushings, and the hinges, stretchable mudguards and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making cleanup easier and reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit in any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. You are looking at the best-in-class ledge cutter from Ducker. This state-of-the-art technology helps you perform perfect shoulder milling and load the milled material in a single operation with a working width of 4.1 feet. The technique also has auxiliary augers that only increase the working width to 5.6 to 6.9 feet and make it easier to work under and behind the fence. This type of machinery also has a specially attached broom that cleans the streets similarly. In conclusion, the SBF 900 ledge milling machine is truly Ducker's best self-propelled version with hydraulic travel and milling drive. This loading vehicle is pushed in front of it by the SBF 900 shoulder milling machine with the help of a copy roller. This is how the milling machine determines the optimum working speed. Now, take a look at the salt spreading machine during heavy ice and frost. Its mid-mount spreader, NA132, is located between the SSV axles. This spreader extends for easy loading and even has a bag opener for quick bucket filling without additional tools. The stainless steel hopper prevents premature failure due to rust and corrosion. The innovative mixing system prevents material bridging and eliminates the need for a traditional noisy vibrating motor. With this drip spreader, operators can spread 40-inch diameter salt at 10 times the speed that can be used with handheld equipment. The precision of the system keeps material within sidewalks, ensuring no damage to surrounding lawns or landscaping. EngCon sweeping rollers. What can we say here? Whether you're sweeping soil, sand, gravel, or snow, the brush roller will quickly become your favorite tool that you simply can't do without. You can use it to clear areas such as road crossings, walkways, streetcar stops, etc., as well as sweep road sand and gravel, clean grass, foundations, rocks, and more. The only limitation is your imagination. A hydraulic motor provides power and a chain drive that allows you to adjust the brush speed. And the open design of the machinery provides unrivaled and easy access for maintenance. Plus, standard polypropylene brushes can be replaced quickly and easily. Meet the powerful, modern Multi-Rex. The Multi-Rex will be a great helper for you on any demolition or partial demolition project. This unit can chew concrete and other strongest materials without any problems. This technique saves you time and money, allowing you to focus on doing more projects and completing them faster with the fewest number of employees at each site. With the Multi-Rex, you can easily remove large slabs, break them into pieces to fit in the dump truck, and get on the next job sooner. The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. Owning a set of jacks gives you many advantages. One of the most important is that you can better plan your work, since you no longer rely on outside contractors. High crane rental rates are no longer an issue. Use the jacks to lift containers up to 70,500 pounds wherever and whenever you want. This product is designed and tested for heavy loads. It easily lifts both empty containers and heavy containers filled to the top. Container jacks are ready to ship worldwide. And you want to achieve the safest possible operation with the lowest possible operating expenses? Movella translifters and cassettes are the ideal solution for container ports and general cargo terminals. The biggest advantage of such a vehicle is the safe and easy handling of general cargo of non-standard dimensions. You can count on highly efficient transportation and expensive and durable cassettes that are resistant to rough handling. In fact, it is a very reliable machine that requires minimal maintenance. When it comes to tomatoes, Italy brings both sunshine and serious tech. Karima's two-row harvester gathers up to 25 tons per hour, gently handling each fruit. Fast, efficient, and flawless, the gold standard for tomato harvesting. This is what the ideal attachable scrap shears for lightweight mini excavators look like. F200C cutter for excavators in the 15 to 18Q range, depending on the machine capacity. These narrow-shaped hydraulic shears are ideal for cables, ropes, and pipes. They can be used for cutting reinforced cables up to 8 inches in diameter, cutting steel profiles, car bodies, cable ducts, power poles, etc. A 360-degree hydraulic rotation function is also included. Safe and fast, its quick installation characterizes this crane. This crane from the company's line of heavy-duty machines has numerous features that increase productivity, provide quick and easy installation, and is easy to use and very reliable. With 90 tons of load torque, a horizontal boom outreach of 113 feet with a jib, and a vertical boom outreach of up to 125 feet, this incredibly reliable crane is ideal for lifting heavy loads over long distances. This versatile Trail King cart can be used with Schnabel configuration, Replace the standard wheelbase with a steerable 13-axle configuration or used with a Jeep dolly for bunk bed operation. The new Trail King design provides better maneuverability with a larger steering angle, steeper turns, and less manual steering. The mobile unit provides wireless manual operation and automatic leveling after manual operation for an automatic self-centering feature. HRVB, hydraulic vacuum bucket, not only produces a powerful negative pressure of -8 kPa, but also has other excellent features. Powerful maximum airflow of 10 feet cubed per second. There's an adjustable suction airlock for precision vacuum cleaning, as well as special bag filters for various applications. So where can a hydraulic bucket be used? Firstly, it is needed for waste disposal and cleaning on construction sites and for demolition work. It can also be used for vacuum cleaning of roadsides, railroad, and streetcar tracks. The P995 pontoon excavator from Liebherr is characterized by fast cycle times and high digging force. It has an operating weight of about 360 tons, an engine output of 1,750 kilowatts, and a respectable 346 horsepower, and a digging depth of up to 74 feet. Its design features a large panoramic window that provides an excellent view of all the equipment. By the way, the cutting force of the equipment is 657 kilonewtons, and the breakout force is 774 kilonewtons. The longest working equipment of the pontoon monster consists of a 53-foot monoblock boom, a 36-foot handle, and a capacious 36-foot backhoe bucket. The TV1000 Plus Performance Line Snowplow is a self-propelled, high-speed snowplow designed for airport snow removal and capable of handling all types of snow from 3.2 to 6.5 feet deep. The snowplow is mounted on a purpose-built chassis and features a unique flying cab. This means that the cab is located behind the milling unit in the first position, but can be easily slid forward and on top of the milling unit for optimal visibility while working. The cab is not permanently fixed to the milling machine and is little affected by vibrations of all kind. The model is equipped with 2 diesel engines that provide the power needed to clear up to 8,500 tons of snow per hour. The EcoVolve ED1000 dump buggy is the most versatile and popular of this company's line of dump trucks. The fully battery-powered unit is particularly effective in the following applications: removing concrete debris and material excavated by electric excavators, hammers, and electric mini-loaders. It can work on larger industrial and commercial buildings where large quantities of materials need to be moved. The dump truck can also work in highly sensitive areas, both indoors and outdoors, where no exhaust fumes are allowed and noise levels must be kept to a minimum. The Okur Combi paving machine allows for bituminous binder placement, seal coating, lining, and adhesion, rough and fogging. It eliminates application difficulties associated with geographic and weather conditions, paver and gravel spreader incompatibility. It provides safer and better application in a very short time with fewer personnel. Spray widths can reach up to 14.4 feet thanks to computer-controlled telescopic arms. The Globus eTrinky is a smart, all-electric field assistant for precision work. Controlled by GPS, it delivers targeted fertilization, weeding, and mechanical cultivation. Compact, eco-conscious, and efficient, it treats the soil with care while raising productivity. Building Robotics has developed its Autonomous Track Loader, ATL, which the company believes will definitely become part of many other autonomous construction vehicles. Using a combination of LiDAR technology, similar to that found in unmanned vehicles, and advanced GPS technology that allows for centimeter-accurate positioning, the ATL is capable of performing simple, but difficult tasks. For example, digging a hole once, you just need to tell it where and how big that hole should be. The Wallenstein model WP525 is an easy-to-use and reliable wood splitter that greatly increases production while reducing physical labor. With it, you'll be able to cut logs up to 16 inches in diameter full din and lift them up a ramp, so your manual intervention in the process is virtually minimized. The technique has a self-contained engine and Honda hydraulics, and towing it is simple and easy behind a car or ATV. The wood chipper is equipped with Torflex suspension, which is designed to absorb bumps in the road for a smoother towing experience. JCB telescopic loaders of Agri-Low-Doll model are characterized by high maneuverability, compact wheelbase, large angles of rotation limitation, which saves time on the farm, especially when working in limited conditions. The engine power of such a machine is 100 horsepower, and the engine displacement is 4.4 liters, with a torque of 320 Newton meters. The hydraulic pump capacity is 140 liters, the fuel tank capacity is 146 liters, and its maximum lifting capacity reaches 3.5 tons. With this loader on hand, you'll accomplish any task in no time at all. The Manitou model MLTX 961 forklift has a lift height of 29.5 feet and a maximum lift capacity of 6 tons. With a 141 horsepower engine, an M-Vario Plus transmission, the machine offers even more comfort, productivity, and cost efficiency. For your comfort, the machine comes standard with an ultra-quiet new AG XL cab, easy access, automatic parking brake, cup holder, full storage compartments, and optional adaptive air suspension. This forklift is equipped with an air pre-filter and an auto reserve fan. These features are perfectly adapted to dusty environments. The 200 liter per minute pump and optional intelligent hydraulics package meet customer needs in terms of performance in agriculture and agro-industry. With the piston bully model 100E, Cosbora has taken its first all-electric vehicle to the snow. It is preferably off-road because this is where the electric drive concept can best show its strengths. The hydrostatic drive and tiller drive have been replaced by 3 electric motors. This ensures direct power transmission and an increase in efficiency of around 100%. Compared to a central electric motor, this means a 20% increase in range per charging cycle. As pipe welding standards and techniques continue to evolve, McElroy introduces the latest machine, reliable and industry-leading equipment. Their Triton 560 combines the features of 3 of McElroy's most innovative machines: reliable portability and Trackstar I-Series technology, Talon 2000 pipe loading capabilities, and the ability to meet the pipe where it lies found in Acrobat quick-fit carriages. These techniques help with pipe positioning, providing greater flexibility and increased productivity. With the same rugged dual rubber tracks found on McElroy Trackstar machines, the Triton provides all-terrain mobility, allowing for easy movement over various surfaces, and can drive directly to and from the pipe itself. The Cenoboggan model A25E is a new generation forklift with a maximum outreach of 46 feet and a powerful 129 kilowatt diesel engine that is optimally suited for various sorting and unloading tasks in warehouses and construction sites. Thanks to its mobile undercarriage with 4-point outriggers, the loader can quickly move from A to B while remaining safe and in place during operation. The loader is equipped with the original Cenoboggan SGM multi-hull grapple, with a capacity of 600 to 800 liters and 5 grapple cups. The combination of machine and grapple provides optimum actuation for particularly delicate work and optimum machine adjustment, enabling it to deliver maximum productivity day in and day out. The RTH 13.26 is the most powerful rotating telehandler in the world. It has a maximum lift capacity of 85 feet and can lift loads up to 28,600 pounds. When the machine is only partially stabilized, the overall design provides a better load diagram on each side. And when the stabilizers are fully extended, they allow the machine to operate at full height for more than 360 degrees, allowing it to be held on a much wider stabilizing base. It is compatible with a wide range of accessories thanks to its RFID system, which allows it to automatically recognize attachments and create dynamic load charts. This telehandler is the ideal solution for numerous requirements in the construction and manufacturing sector. With the new TP470 Vario, ABI has entered a new performance class for its machines. The powerful sharing continuously variable drive machine is equipped with a VM turbo diesel engine with a total output of 136 horsepower. The new model is based on the VT450 Vario, but has been completely structurally rebuilt. According to the management assurance, with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design. TMC Cancella's forestry mulching solutions are definitely built for the toughest working conditions. This equipment is specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stump residues after felling. It produces a very high degree of mulching, often with sawdust. The technique has been developed with high build quality, using high-strength steel and the latest technology for production. Due to the versatility and efficiency, this company's forest mulchers have become simply indispensable tools in the forestry industry, providing an effective means of land preparation and vegetation control. Over the past decade, automation has become a crucial factor in smart agriculture. Using advanced technologies such as smart sensing, machine learning, and robotics, agricultural processes can be optimized in a multitude of innovative ways. With a true mission to make farming easier and increase productivity, TerraClear has developed a comprehensive automation system that focuses specifically on automating stone removal. Using a computer vision system to map the terrain and determine the size and location of stone stuck in the soil, the hard work is done by automated equipment, saving farmers a lot of time and money. Anyway, you can see for yourself how cool it works. This TMC Cancella mulcher with hydraulic push frame and turbo clutch kit is a powerful machine specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stumps left after tree felling. But when combined with a Volvo excavator, for example, the machine is capable of working at quite a high altitude and can be used to mulch the tallest trees. The mulcher's build quality is very high, as high-quality steel and additional connecting elements were used for its production. Introducing the new OFI London Double Stack Container Super B Double Scale Trailer. Despite the very long name of the technique, I can say one thing: it offers an entirely new working concept that can be used in container ports. It is indeed a combination of very high productivity with a 100% improvement in load capacity compared to the existing Super B double combinations. The technique allows you to carry 8 containers of 20 feet or 4 containers of 40 feet in a single trip, which gives you a huge advantage in transportation at a much lower cost. You see the first compact straight boom SJ crawler elevator unit from JLG. With a platform height of 65 feet 7 inches and 500-pound capacity for 2 workers, a 39-foot horizontal outreach, and versatility, this new piece of equipment is ideal for a wide range of applications, including forestry, painting, general maintenance, electric work, HVAC, and window cleaning at various job sites. Among the significant pluses, for example, the architecture of this new compact tracked elevator allows operators to reach full height more efficiently, while the track design and the ability to climb gradients of 40% mean this model can climb slopes compared to standard elevators. To increase the efficiency of the export terminal, Galoo has launched the Mansinon 160M loading and unloading machine. This productive machine offers increased flexibility and efficiency. Unloading is now much faster, allowing for faster vessel turnaround. The main role of the Mansinon material handler is to unload barges quickly and easily, and another is to store scrap metal until the ship arrives. With this technique, it is possible to unload, for example, not 2 barges, but 4. Stacking scrap metal has also become much easier, and the Mansinon Harbor crane has replaced at least 2 conventional cranes. In addition to efficiency and flexibility, the user-friendliness of the Mansinon loading and unloading machine can also be safely emphasized. You see a universal finishing machine on a wheel chassis UDS 232, which has excellent mobility and the ability to move both on the road and in the field. Such technique is suitable for precise finishing earthworks and final modifications of building contract with the surrounding terrain. A wide range of additional attachments allows the machine to be used for various purposes. It has a wheel chassis and is suitable for forestry work, as you can see on the screens, as well as in mining, oil industry, or finishing earthworks. Steyr always makes sure that their machine combinations are optimally matched to each other. That this has again been achieved can be seen in the combination of a trencher with a paving attachment attached to the Fendt Vario 211P. With this innovative Steyr invention, narrow pipe trenches are milled in and underground under asphalt or soil, mainly in urban areas. After laying the pipes in the trench, the road surface or soil is backfilled and compacted with the Steyr compressor wheel. The MechLift forklift model, ML1612R, is a unique machine, the only forklift with a lifting capacity of 16 to 18 tons that can easily drive into a standard container and moves quickly in confined spaces such as warehouses and marine vessels. MechLift's various attachments expand the possibilities of using a single machine for different purposes. It can stack 20-foot containers in 3 tiers. The hydraulically raised cab provides excellent visibility for the operator, even when handling large loads. With this forklift, you have more space and better visibility, which has a positive effect on the safety of the load itself. Kuima AG has created a high-performance turner composter windrow turning machine that has many features and advantages that set it apart from the competition. The technique has a sturdy box construction that is designed to handle tough materials and has been tested in the harshest conditions. The turner composter is typically used for manure and larger compost materials. The technique has a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for larger piles. The hydraulically driven turner wheel provides more speed and traction. The drum has a 3-inch diameter through shaft for greater rigidity and performance. This drum is designed to throw material back with less power. The turner composter can be towed on the road, and its drawbar easily swivels for transportation. Perkins STC moves a steam generator over the mountains to its final destination over 1,500 miles away. An incredibly difficult job that someone still needs to do. That's exactly the purpose of this special trailer, which is a heavy-duty, 2-lane, 24-line, 400-ton capacity vehicle used to haul oversized loads over long distances. How it all looks like, you can observe it yourself. Watch as the Logset 6F fearlessly plows through endless muddy roads. This logging giant, despite the daunting conditions, continues its mission of collecting wood. Thanks to its advanced design and powerful engine, the Logset 6F easily handles the task, leaving only wheel tracks on the compacted soil. It's a real battle with the elements, and the winner is already clear. In the mud, as on the arena, this harvester is an undisputed champion. The multi-purpose mine ambush, armored recovery crane, MPark, is based on the concept of independently suspended axles and a spatially robust frame. The new MPark is an unrivaled crane of its kind with exceptional performance. All-wheel drive provides superior traction and mobility. The machine provides high protection against mines, IEDs, and kinetic energy munitions. 5-point safety belts, protection, fire, and explosion protection system, and specially designed seats create a safe environment for personnel. The Mobile Splitter X2 is used by Maxwell GmbH for the preparation of excavated soil and loamy material. The sturdy chain cart is ideal for working on uneven ground. With its stable and sturdy screen deck, the twin-wave Splitter X2 is simply ideal for working with heavy and sticky material. Flexible adjustment options ensure reliable material flow throughout the entire process. The use of modern motor technology ensures the throughputs of up to 200 tons per hour. Introducing the K67H from CFIA, your new high-rise friend in the world of concrete. This concrete pump can deliver your concrete to a height of 220 feet without unnecessary words and complexities. Probably the most reliable guy in any construction crew. Looking for a way to lay concrete on high floors? Forget old methods. The K67H does it in no time, providing up to 210 cubic yards per hour. Your construction neighbors will be green with envy as your project rises faster than their astonishment. Cymex VSE screening buckets, designed to separate different size materials on the job site, are unique with their easy loading, elementary operation, and high productivity. Cymex's exclusive patent allows you to quickly adjust the size of the output screen material in just a few seconds using controls in the operator's cab. So you get a reliable helper that will do all the toughest work for you. Meet the Vamas SB4504, not just a snowblower, but a true snow monster. This giant, with a working width of nearly 15 feet and a 450 horsepower engine, literally devours snow in its path. It stops at nothing. Its two-stage turbine, capable of throwing up to 5,000 tons of snow per hour, enough to build a snow castle for a Yeti. With such an aggregate, winter can last forever, but your road will always be clear. The SMH CSU bucket elevator is a revolution in material transportation. Capable of lifting up to 33,000 pounds to a height of up to 100 feet every hour, this elevator will become an indispensable assistant in your production. High-tech sensors and an automated control system ensure precision and reliability in operation. The sturdy steel construction withstands extreme conditions, and ease of maintenance reduces downtime. Just think about the way it can speed up your production process. Dump trucks with loading and unloading platforms are the perfect solution for companies involved in the transportation of various bulk and liquid cargoes, such as flour, feed, potatoes, and other root crops. Thanks to a specially adapted platform, these dump trucks can quickly and efficiently load and unload large volumes of materials, minimizing manual labor and speeding up the cargo handling process. This approach not only reduces logistics time, but also significantly decreases the likelihood of product damage during transportation. When John Deere combines with FECOM attachments, trees literally lose their heads. This duo's power has an incredible ability to turn any forest into a perfectly cleared field. No tree can withstand their coordinated assault. The drone slowly hovers over the American Crystal Sugar storage site in Crookston, capturing the impressive scale of the operation. The footage shows how mountains of sugar beets are carefully arranged into huge piles. The drone video allows for an assessment of the organization and efficiency of the storage process, which will later be processed into sugar. These images not only demonstrate the size and complexity of the logistics operations, but also emphasize the importance of the production hub in the region's agro-industrial complex. For several days now, equipment has been actively transported from the Grafenwohr training ground to the Hohenfels training area as part of the Combined Resolve 17 exercises. This recurring series of drills organized by the U.S. Armed Forces allows troops to sharpen their combat and coordination skills in environments that closely simulate real-world scenarios. Two tanks are bogged down in the mud and tensions are mounting. That's when the 3A1, the full armored recovery vehicle, comes to the rescue. Armed with powerful winches and reinforced armor, it effortlessly retrieves the stuck vehicles. The process is methodical: attach, pull them free, inspect, and return to action. The System 001 is a true giant among irrigation systems. With its help, you can quickly and efficiently irrigate vast fields, ensuring uniform soil moisture. The long water spraying system covers a wide area in one pass, significantly reducing the time and effort needed to water large areas. This machine will become an indispensable assistant for farmers striving to increase the yield of their lands without unnecessary costs and maintaining the environmental sustainability of their farms. An amazing sight in the port of Rotterdam: the arrival of the largest semi-submersible crane vessel in the world, Sleipner. This engineering marvel impresses with its size and capabilities. Sleipner can lift loads up to 20,000 tons, making it indispensable for the most complex and large-scale projects in the marine industry. Watch as this giant vessel, 721 feet long and 344 feet wide, smoothly enters the port, ready for new feats and records. In the world of submarines, the Typhoon-class Akula-Shar SSBNs hold a special place. These Soviet-Russian nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines were developed as a response to the U.S. Navy's Ohio-class submarines. With a length of 574 feet and a width of 74 feet, Typhoons are the largest submarines in the world. They can dive to a depth of up to 1,300 feet and reach speeds of up to 27 knots underwater. The submarines are armed with 20 R-39 missiles, each carrying up to 10 nuclear warheads. There are also torpedo tubes and an air defense system on board. Imagine a giant funnel like something out of science fiction, but it's real. The Glory Hole at Lake Berryessa. This incredible spillway looks like a giant water drain, swallowing water from the lake when the water level is too high. The Glory Hole has a diameter of about 72 feet, and when water starts to flow, the sight is truly breathtaking. Designed to prevent flooding, this engineering marvel can discharge up to 48,000 cubic feet of water per second. Equipped with ladder mechanisms and buckets with a capacity of up to 70 cubic feet, land-based ladder dredgers can process up to 1,100 pounds of material per hour. With a 300 horsepower engine, they operate at depths of up to 33 feet underwater. These powerful machines transform landscapes, deepening waterways and creating safe routes for ships working at pressures up to 2,900 psi, 200 bar. Here is a new mini excavator APS KME-08 with an engine power of 6 kilowatts. The operating weight of this technological monster is almost a ton. The main advantage of the technique is the presence of the third hydraulic outlet, ready and armed connection for hammer or drill, as well as an additional lever to control the third hydraulic system. The excavator with hydraulic oil cooler allows continuous work without interruption up to several hours. Thanks to its small size, this mini-machine is perfectly suited for working in confined spaces, and transportation is much easier. When agriculture meets innovation, the Fendt Ideal 10T and Fendt 939 Vario come to the stage. These machines work in tandem, demonstrating the highest standards of performance. With a 790 horsepower engine, the Fendt Ideal 10T easily and quickly harvests crops, minimizing losses. Next to it, the Fendt 939 Vario with 396 horsepower maneuvers with the grace of a ballet dancer thanks to its stepless transmission. This duo redefines modern agriculture, ensuring impeccable results and increasing productivity every day. Epiroc, a leading partner for high-performance systems in the mining and civil engineering industries, introduces the DM30XC blast drilling rig, which is suitable for a variety of applications, utilizing multi-start rotary drilling and a submersible air hammer, DTH. Built on the same robust platform as the Epiroc DM32, the new DM30XC delivers 33% more power and a host of customer benefits. The DM30XC is designed to handle drill pipe diameters from 4 inches to 6¼ inches. The drill bit is rated at 44,000 pounds. Watch as the Nessie trencher takes on heavy work at low water levels. This powerful underwater trencher, like a mythical creature, easily handles the seabed during low tide. Its huge blades cut through the seabed, creating perfect trenches for underwater communications, making every seabed operation spectacular and efficient. Colmar T10000 Modification FSCG is a specialized road rail crane based on the popular T10000 rail loader and is capable of 360-degree road and rail crane operation. Colmar has produced over 2,000 rail loaders in 30 years and is the #1 manufacturer in Italy and the UK, where several contracting companies operate large fleets of rail vehicles. The load capacity of this crane on rails is just over 12 tons, with a maximum capacity of 14 tons achieved by extending the Caterpillar tracks for extra stability. The maximum horizontal outreach is 49 feet. Ashley Contracts, based in County Down, has earned a solid reputation in marine civil engineering across the UK and Ireland. Their projects include coastal defense, dredging, and erosion protection. However, the real star of the show is underwater demolition, requiring specialized equipment. In their arsenal is a specifically modified Hitachi EX1200 XXL triple boom long reach excavator, a true powerhouse in underwater demolition. This giant handles underwater destruction as if cutting butter with a hot knife. Want to see what it's capable of? Then focus on the screen. Scania's battery electric truck offers continuous operation completely free of toxic emissions, which could very soon become mandatory for certain areas and sectors. Our world is striving for a green future, and this is becoming a common requirement for new contracts. The electric powertrain provides considerable power and constant torque. With a range of 250 kilometers from a single charge, short and medium routes can be completed exclusively on electric power. Such a cool Scania electric vehicle will have a set of 5 or 9 batteries, powering an electric motor with 310 horsepower. Watch the way MMDA battles the capture of the Pasig River by water hyacinths. These plants, although beautiful, can seriously disrupt ferry traffic, but don't worry, there's special equipment to handle the task. A specialized floating platform carefully catches the hyacinths and clears the river. This not only allows ferries to move without delays, but also improves the river's ecological state. Now, that's what I call a clean water operation. Meet the Hexatram. Yes, the same truck that can pull 6 trailers at a time between farms, loading heavy timber. Just imagine, the Volvo FMX can haul up to 200 tons in a single trip, which is truly impressive. And if we say that the truck was designed to handle heavy-duty applications, we're not fooled. It is also equipped with a 12-speed I-shift transmission and 2 additional super low gears. For such an iron monster, picked up the D13 engine with a capacity of 540 horses, which retains power and at the same time provides the best ratio of economy, performance, and fuel consumption. The world's largest nuclear icebreaker, with a power of 75,000 horsepower, is a true giant among marine vessels. With a length of about 568 feet and a width of 98 feet, it is equipped with 2 powerful nuclear reactors that provide incredible power and allow breaking ice up to 10 feet thick. This icebreaker is a key tool in the exploration and development of the Arctic, opening up new routes and ensuring safe ship movement. On board are the most modern navigation systems and comfortable conditions for the crew, making it not only powerful, but also convenient for long expeditions. The most powerful tidal turbine in North America, Open Hydro, with a capacity of 2 milliwatts, now powers homes in Nova Scotia thanks to a successful connection to the grid. The turbine was installed on November 7th at the Fundy Ocean Research and Energy Center. Force, by DCNS and the Cape Sharp Tidal Joint Venture, including Emera and Open Hydro. In just 2 hours, the Open Center turbine was deployed, and 24 hours later, the Marine Operations team connected the turbine's underwater cable to the foreshore substation. Now, the Bay of Fundy's tides provide the cleanest energy, proving that renewable sources can be efficient and reliable. The Tuas desalination plant in Singapore, the third of its kind, increases the country's capacity to process seawater from 100 to 130 million gallons per day. Now, desalination plants can cover up to 30% of Singapore's current water demand. This video explains the process of turning seawater into clear drinking water. The Tuas plant uses advanced technology for filtering and purifying seawater, making it safe and high-quality drinking water. Imagine a vehicle that easily carries the wings of the future. Wind blades the length of a soccer field and weighing up to 35 tons. That's what Dole offers with its pioneering trailers for the wind energy industry. Forget the fear of high center of gravity and torque. These trailers are stable and safe at any speed. Loading? Faster than you can drink a cup of coffee. Maneuverability? Like an acrobat, able to perform maneuvers with incredible precision thanks to hydraulic steering and a wide steering angle. Dole turns blade transport not into a chore, but into a masterclass of grace and engineering, showing that even the most monumental tasks can be accomplished with surprising ease and style. The production and transportation of oil rigs is a complex and large-scale process, requiring precise coordination and advanced technologies. Modern oil rigs, such as deep-water drilling platforms, are engineering marvels up to several hundred meters high and weighing tens of thousands of tons. The production of these giants begins at shipyards and specialized plants, where rig components are assembled to the highest safety and reliability standards. Are you looking for a forest maintenance solution that combines lightness and high efficiency? The MIDI-Force Shredder from SEPI-M is your ideal choice. With its unique design, including a smart rotor and an optimally designed chopping chamber, this machine delivers maximum productivity by utilizing the power of your tractor to its full potential. It can turn trees and shrubs up to 9.8 inches in diameter into chips, and the MIDI-Force is ideal for cleaning power lines, roadside areas, and other areas. Offering working widths of 5.7, 6.6, and 7.4 feet, the tool ensures flexibility in all conditions. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to gently clean the top surface of a solar panel array. This system can also be used for cleaning building walls, tunnel walls, and ceilings and Jersey-style barriers. The hydraulically controlled solar panel washing system consists of a telescoping arm and rotating brush, and to prevent damage, an electronic or proportional control system that constantly checks and adjusts the distance between the brush and the surface being cleaned. The large rotating brush with soft bristles allows solar panels up to 9.8 feet long to be cleaned quickly, efficiently, and without damage. DJ Products Cart Caddy HD electric platform cart safely moves heavy equipment weighing up to 50,000 pounds, making it easier than ever to move wheeled equipment. The Cart Caddy's 5,000-pound electric or hydraulic lift system transfers the weight of the load to the drive wheels for the best traction. The Cart Caddy HD motorized chain-driven traction unit has an optional drive feature that allows the operator to stand on the platform to control the unit. Another option is that the unit can be pulled in the traditional way by standing in front of the unit and steering it forward or backward. Called by the company a skid steer bucket on steroids, the Blade Buddy has a center support system that allows it to be lifted and moved with a full load of material. Equipped with dual pins, the equipment can transform from unloading to carrying modes in seconds. This allows you to collect, unload, spread, or load contents. The attachment is also equipped with load support brackets, which are removable hinged extensions located on either side of the front of the unit. The Stark Sweeper is designed for efficient and environmentally friendly cleaning of roads, streets, and yards. The Model T sweeper is designed for smaller base machines such as property maintenance vehicles. The low design and 27.5-inch wide blades provide a good view of the area being swept. The low design of the Stark Model T sweeper improves visibility in the sweeping area and increases operational safety. When sweeping, the machine moves on support wheels, which means the blades last a long time. The height of the movable main brush can be adjusted, and the speed of the brushes can be infinitely adjusted. Meet the Vermeer SC1052, your new main hero in the garden. This stump grinder doesn't just process trees, it does it with a special flair. With a 105 horsepower engine, the SC1052 can turn even the largest stumps into mulch in minutes. Just watch the power and efficiency of this iron beast in action. Meet the Gecko JF235, a crane acrobat that doesn't just work, but performs. With its telescopic boom reaching heights of up to 95 feet and a lifting capacity of up to 51,800 pounds, this crane handles any construction challenge. Narrow spaces? For the JF235, nothing is impossible. Its outreach allows for heavy lifting with surgical precision, whether installing heavy structures or large glass panels. Give it a task, and it will not only complete it, but show how to lift weights with ease and style. Watch this video where Leso is responsible for the transportation of the new overground metro cars in Lisbon. As one of the key players in the European special transportation market, Leso Transports SA is always looking for reliable and technologically advanced trailers to develop its business. To meet the challenges of transporting rail vehicles, Leso uses 2 multi-max semi-trailers with rails built into the load platform and 6 steerable crank axles, reducing the loading height to just 29 inches. Both machines are equipped with a powerful hydraulic winch and special ramp arms for a smooth loading and unloading process. Forget about comic book superheroes. Meet the real hero of the construction site, the Optimus vacuum magnet. This gadget doesn't just move materials, it does so with such style that even Magneto would be envious. Using its powerful vacuum magnet, it easily grabs and moves everything from paving stones to large metal sheets. It works faster than you can say, abracadabra, and does so impressively that onlookers might think it's real magic. The Optimus vacuum magnet will lift any load without sweat and tears. Say what you will, but the Cymex VSC screening bucket is a magical tool for any excavator, making material sorting as easy as playing Tetris. From gravel to construction debris, this bucket handles any task effortlessly, ensuring the necessary purity of materials for further use. And with the ability to instantly adjust the output material size, you'll always be one step ahead of the competition, as you can see for yourself. Erickson Air Crane of Oregon, one of the leading U.S. manufacturers of specialized equipment, has introduced an upgraded S64 helicopter crane. Its main feature is the presence of a grapple grip. According to the designer's idea, the novelty is needed when liquidating the consequences of major emergencies and natural disasters. Importantly, the capabilities of the matrix detection and evasion system can allow the S64 to extinguish fires with water droplets at night or in poor visibility conditions, for example, when the pilot's vision is obscured by smoke. In addition, an autonomous S-64 could also be useful for military resupply missions or for lifting long-line cargo. Discover Posh's Spaltfix K Vario, a mobile sawmill that turns logs up to 2.1 feet into perfectly sized firewood. Choose from 2-inch to 6-inch chop lengths with adjustable settings for perfect results. Run your machine via PTO, use a diesel engine, or switch to electric for less environmental impact. Plus, the in-feed table and longitudinal with cross conveyors ensure continuous and efficient operation. Ideal for both tractor and road chassis use. Using the TMK 300 tree shears with a John Deere 60-gram swing boom from Swift Fox Industries successfully completed the task of clearing the trees on the other side of the fence. The pivoting boom provided the necessary flexibility, allowing the grapple to press tightly against the fence, even when it was necessary to bend. TMK scissors turned out to be an indispensable tool for quickly and accurately clearing the area around the fence, making the process convenient and efficient. Working in construction or transporting heavy machinery requires not only effort, but also the right equipment. And that's where the Humbauer tandem trailer comes in. What makes it such an indispensable assistant? Let's break it down. First, its amazing ability to carry loads up to 9.5 tons without hassle. Secondly, its loading floor is so low that even the heaviest items are easily on board. Have you ever wondered how you can make your work more efficient? Humbauer answers that question by providing reliability and simplifying every step of your workflow. Winter is no obstacle for a true hero of the water depths. Meet the Big Float E15 amphibious excavator, which is not only equipped with extra pontoons, anchors, and propellers, but is also capable of incredible tricks. How about a stability test with the boom fully extended to the side and fully loaded? This is not just an excavator, but a circus performance on the water. Ideal for preparing construction and winter conditions on any terrain, be it agricultural fields or nature reserves. Big Float E15 is your reliable assistant that will not let you down, even when the thermometer has long since exceeded zero. Have you ever wondered how to keep your truck fleet perfectly clean without any extra effort? This new washing system is your answer. It's designed specifically for heavy equipment used in construction, mines, landfills, and other places where dirt is part of the daily grind. This system doesn't just wash the wheels and underbody, it does it automatically, efficiently, and environmentally friendly. Thanks to the closed water cycle, truck wash reduces water consumption, and the directionally adjustable nozzles guarantee perfect cleanliness, even at high pressure. Discover a new level of productivity with a Euro mount front loader that commands attention with its unique look and sophisticated functionality. This loader is equipped with a third circuit drive with a power of 50 liters per minute and is capable of precise and clean cutting of wood thanks to the bandsaw. Adjustable cutting lengths of up to 19.7 inches and a maximum wood length of 66.9 inches allows you to process even large batches. With an outstanding cutting speed of approximately 90 seconds per bundle, the machine can process approximately 10 bundles per hour. Impressive, isn't it? Loading height reaches 13.1 feet, and the machine weighs 1,653.5 pounds with a width of 92.5 inches. How would you feel about turning fall cleaning from a hassle to a pleasure? Meet not just a new leaf vacuum, but your own personal fall wizard. Attached to the Titan chassis and operated from the right side, it gives you full control and lets you see every leaf picked up like it's in slow motion. This autonomous hero destroys mountains of leaves with ease, turning cleanup into a game where you're the undefeated champion. Imagine your yard coming to life free of the fall cover thanks to the power of the machine. Looking for a versatile solution that combines the elevator and the mobility of a trailer? Equipter introduces the revolutionary Model 7000. This engineering marvel is easily transportable to any job site, and with its help, you can lift a container of materials up to 25 feet and 5 inches, or use the optional forks to lift up to 23 feet and 5 inches. Controlled remotely, the Equipter 7000 is equipped with various steering modes to ensure precise positioning. Rest assured, the versatile elevator trailer will be your indispensable assistant on any construction site, providing exceptional functionality and flexibility. Behold the Nemag Scissors Grab, a monster in the world of loading technology, designed to tackle the toughest challenges in ports around the world. Weighing 40,785 pounds and with a capacity of 150 square feet, this grab is specifically designed for dry bulk materials handling and is part of the Liber LPS 550 crane at the port of Corpus Christi in Texas. It is ideal for fast and efficient unloading of barges and ships, significantly accelerating logistic processes. With its impressive lifting capacity and power, the Nemag Grapple ensures maximum productivity in a minimum amount of time. The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. Meet the SFH from FAE. Not just a machine, it's a marvel of engineering that can transform your land. Designed for tractors up to 500 horsepower, this versatile attachment is capable of chopping trees up to 18 inches in diameter and crushing rocks up to 14 inches while working up to 16 inches below ground. Its unique side gear transmission optimizes power transfer for high speed and torque. When you pair the SFH with a John Deere tractor, for example, you can experience true power and versatility in action. Your attention is drawn to the Battle Axe Series 20 from Lofness, created for excavators weighing from 10,000 to 20,000 pounds. This powerful tool is equipped with a depth limiter and an exclusive 2-stage cutting chamber, providing high performance and surprisingly fine shredding. It is indispensable in cases where quick and efficient removal of unwanted vegetation or thorough site preparation is needed. This simple-to-operate unit excels at tasks placing quality first. And now, you're looking at a true revolution in the forklift world, the updated TX1000 Turbo from Toro Dingo. The model raises the bar for innovation with a powerful 24.7 horsepower Yamaha engine that delivers an extraordinary torque boost for effortless heavy-duty handling. Perfect for various professional tasks from landscaping to construction work. In doing so, the Toro Dingo demonstrates amazing versatility and performance. Picture a massive truck towing another truck along a muddy rural road. There are no complaints, only careful calculations of power and traction. This exemplifies the art of transportation at its best, and witnessing such a powerful duo in action is truly satisfying. Meet the powerful and aggressive Savannah Model 1720 stump grinder that will change the way you approach land management. This revolutionary machine features a unique wheel turning system that allows it to efficiently and quickly work different types of terrain. With this uprooter, you can get not only a clean sight, but also the confidence that every square foot of land is being used to its maximum potential. The unusual appearance of the Savannah rotary rake model 1257 is sure to catch your eye, but the true value of this machine lies in its special functionality. Despite its unique design, the rake offers an outstanding quality of work, ensuring a clean and uniform collection of material. This machine is ideal for agricultural and landscaping applications where you need efficient cleaning without compromising on performance.
If you're fascinated by the sheer power of heavy equipment and the marvels of modern engineering, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's explore the frontiers of technology together and discover the awe-inspiring innovation.
Welcome to Mega Technology, where we uncover the brilliance of heavy equipment, the ingenuity of modern inventions,